Oh my God, I'm up another 300 pecans. Oh my lordy, oh my lordy, oh my lordy, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. Oh my God, bang, bang. I'm up 300 per fucking con. There's the MVG, Phil. Oh my lordy, I'm up 30 points.
She's loaded, bruh.
Yeah, that Wi-Fi package about $3,000 a night.
Right,
to be rocking
she's
like that.
great. Yo, Jimmy, do you have are you interested in like a sugar baby?
Who's Adolbito?
Bro,
Yo. How you guys been?
Adolfo!
Adolfo!
Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy Big Daddy Max. It is May 6th at 9:30 in the morning, and I'm with the one and only Mr. Llama Red Pajama. Llama, how we feeling? The market's down 1.3% on this day. Very red open, my friend. How you feeling? Talk to the people for a minute, Llama, because I got to sell some options, player.
Good. I mean, I was anticipating this. I don't know if you guys remember me saying if we remain under 20,046, we're gonna catch a sell-off. We were there yesterday. It sold off about 200 points, almost 300. So I'm looking for a continuation sell. I want to catch it around this 820 level, which we're kind of approaching pretty soon. But first, before just jumping at the level, I want to see price stall. I don't want to just jump at it without any of my confirmations. But
here's a market structure look, Llama.
Who knows?
Here's a market structure look.
818.
If we close about that 1620 level that you had mentioned, Llama, I'll probably try and go long again. If we can get above that 16 to 20 level.
Yeah, we're at 20. We just tapped it. I didn't jump in though, but I want to see if price can start to reverse around here. Reverse? If not, then the sells are cooked. Yeah, I'll be looking for sells around this area. I just want to see if price can stall first. If not, it's just gonna keep going up.
Oh my God, there we go. Oh my God, I'm up another 300 pecans. Oh my lordy, oh my lordy, oh my lordy, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. Oh my God, let's go. That was the fastest 30-40 points of my life.
Yeah, that was really fast. Still want to see here. I hate trading so close to 930 because you have to.
I'm up about 619 on the day. I'm about to switch to my MNQs and call it a fucking day. That long was disgusting. This is one of my A+ setups right here. What I just saw was one of my A+ setups. I'm gonna take a breather now. Because there is I bet we might see a small pullback on SPX.
There's the stall I was kind of looking for. I was already made.
Why are we so red, by the way? Was there like fucking news or what? What's the deal? I don't track nothing. I don't track nothing in the pre-market or post-market or whatever. Was there news?
I think we're getting a pre-Federate sell-off. There's Federate coming out tomorrow, which is like the most important event of the year. Right. Like of the quarter. Right. Is how I look at it. I think we're catching a pre-sell before it comes out.
Right now, we're in a pretty steep looking potential uptrend.
Yeah.
We're seeing very large candle movements here. Very nice breakout potential. SPX is moving to the upside and NQ's dragging right now. So SPX
I don't even have my ES out.
SPX is moving to the upside. NQ is dragging.
I didn't chart anything on ES. Can't chart that. Now I'm cooked. There's the stall at the area I was looking for.
Right.
Not bad.
Right. If this flips up, Llama, I'll probably take another long scalp on a potential 3-bar. If this flips long here, I'll probably try and go.
Problem with the longs is I have no target. I don't know where the long can go to.
Long can long, baby. Just let it long. You don't need a target. Just let it go. You don't need a target. You just lock in.
Like having targets, fuck.
Why is my shit going red? Oh my God, I hit I fucking hate trade of 8, bro. Hate trade of 8.
Why? It's 2 buttons. Buy or sell.
Don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like that. Looking for
dumbass, bro.
Fucking I'm as hell, boy.
Sell my highs and we're remaining here. This is looking kind of bearish here. ES just took highs and NQ's still sitting. This could be the flipper.
Nah, bro. This thing is rising. I'm watching it.
Here. I don't know, Gangy. I don't know.
Oh no. I mean, it's in an uptrend to me until it ain't. It's in a clear uptrend to me, Llama. I ain't gonna fight it. There's a pop. There's a poppity skippity bop bop. There's a little poppity skip bop. Skip bop bop. I got back in the long after I fucked up and hit short. And I'm still green. We're in this uptrend.
I don't know.
Amazing how one wrong button can just shit on you like that. One wrong button, absolutely shit on you like that. One wrong button is all it takes. Where is he trading? Why is he trading? I thought he trading on crypto. Who the fuck trades crypto, dog?
What?
Ugh. You on the wrong server, my boy. You came to the wrong stream, my guy.
Who said he thought you were trading crypto?
Who the hell?
Wow. Owie.
I was thought Max trading crypto. My bad.
No way you put that out. Like that was
my bad.
Max.
My bad. Yeah, my fault. My fault.
That was crazy.
Yeah, I said my fault.
Oh man, yeah. NQ is giving the stall, but it broke through my area where I'm like, I'm cooked. I don't have anything.
I'm watching Future Strat number 2.
Crypto.
I'm just watching Future Strat number 2 on SPX. Looking pretty decent. It's a pretty big
beyond funny.
We're testing another market structure high around that 47 mark. So, I mean, yeah, if it breaks there, I'm probably gonna go long again, Llama. Why not?
You could do that. You could do that. You could definitely do that.
If it breaks there, I'm probably gonna go long again, Llama. Why not? Seriously, tell me why not.
You could do that, my boy. Definitely do that. You could definitely do that, my boy.
It's testing. It's getting volatile. It wants to do something. Damn, it's moving.
Yes, is already flipping.
Yes is retesting. I like the drop a little bit. I want to see if NQ can drop down to like 30. There's a nice drop.
Yes is pushing here.
Yeah, that's a nice drop. I like to see. Now let's see. There's nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move. If SPX gets it back over 7, I'm going long, Llama. If SPX gets it back over 7, I'm going long. Let's see if it can push. Let's see if it pushy or dumpy.
Looking like a dumper.
Yeah. If it breaks below. Oh. There we go.
There's a flip.
Hold on. I'm gonna probably try and get a little piece of this action here. SPX looking bully. NQ.
Yes, flipped.
NQ dragged ass though. That flip on it. Come on, NQ. What you doing? There you go. Get your sweet ass up there, boy. Get your sweet ass up there. I'm going to get ready to trim a little profit at 8 points. Break even stop loss because it's just so trash, the movement on that. Wicks, everything. There we go.
Yeah, it's looking really ugly.
There we go. Come on. NQ to get above that previous price action structure around 48. And this is an easy one. This is an easy one. Look at SPX go. Clear uptrend. Here's the breakout. Bang, bang. I'm up 200 per con, 240 per con. Bang, bang, I'm up 300 per fucking con. Bang, 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 I'm up 400, no, 300, 4.
You hold that one, Maximus.
You think I should hold it?
You hold that one. Hold it to 880 at least.
880?
Like 20 more points, yeah.
I'm going to scale into it, you think?
Nah,
SPX is moving, SPX is moving, that's a beautiful pump. Bang, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Big Daddy Max. Oh my God. I'm up 1,000.
Oh man, I wish I could draw on this shirt.
Gold all in my chain. Gold all in my ring.
You got the chain on early today?
Gold all in my watch. Damn, bro, I knew I was coming out with a shooter today. You heard me? I knew I was coming out banging today, Llama. You heard me? I had the chain on pre-market. Hey.
Oh my God.
Hey, who the fuck just caught any of my 3 long trades? 90 points. 90 points. I've been saying go. Long. Who just caught any of that? Come on, boy. Don't mess around with strat number 2, boy. Don't mess around with future strat number 2. Ain't nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move. Ain't nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move. Nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move.
What I don't understand is how did guys in your generation really like the music that sounded like that?
Hold on, player. What do you mean by that?
Like you know, ain't nothing more bullet than move. Like that was how you know, that's how music was back in the days. You know, your days. They were like, damn, this shit tough. Like, you were probably rollerblading and shit back in the days. I was fucked up, right?
How you say I was rollerblading? Hold on. What you trying to get into? What do you mean by rollerblading?
You know, you have to be rolling and
you on one. You on one this morning, player. Hey, that's strike one. That's strike one. You on one this morning. That's strike one. The only way I'll forgive you is if you call out a banger.
Yo, guess what? I'm gonna just wait on it.
We're having a great fucking day today. I'm up nicely already. I'm gonna switch to MNQ now. So I decided after I hit my bangers on NQ, I'm gonna switch to MNQ, Llama. That's my new thing. Now this is the potential.
What does that mean?
What do you mean?
I said, Llama, you have a nice voice, man, like in Radeon. The fuck is a Radeon?
I don't know, but what's he trying to get into?
Right, like
what you mean by that?
Oh, radio?
Llama. Oh, radio. Llama's got a voice. Llama's got a face for radio too. Hey, Llama got a face like a radio. He got a build for radio too.
I had to build like a boombox.
That boy built for radio.
You know, you used to walk around with a boombox on your shoulder back
I
in the
know
days.
that's right. My boy
playing Nickelback.
I know that's right. My boy Chosen killing the paper game. Time to move to a prop, my boy. Time to move to a prop. We got some, let me post those prop deals for the morning. We got some good prop deals headed this morning, guys. We got all of the prop deals. The Big Daddy Morning Show is live.
Just hanging around here, honestly. We got Orb in about 2 minutes. I would love to see it.
I'm just gonna wait for Orb.
Get higher before.
There's no reason not to wait for, well, actually, this looks like a potential 3Z down. If SPX closes here, Llama, below 950, this is actually pretty bearish. So I'm going to wait and just be patient here. NQ kind of dragging as well. We're in a range at the moment.
Just range bound. Just waiting until price action can look a little clearer, bro. I don't. One thing I hate is being in trades that like take too long to do what they need to do.
Right.
I like to get in and be right or wrong.
Right.
Within like seconds.
Within seconds.
This bullshit ass chop is gonna piss me off.
Within seconds. Let's just see. I think it looks good for potential. If this candle closes on a low, I really like the short, Llama. Let's see what SPX can do here. I want to see it close on a low. If it closes on a low, I'll probably wait for the next candle to go short. Let's see what happens. It did not close on a low by any stretch of the imagination. It missed. It missed very hard. And NQ starting to push. NQ starting to push real nicely.
Upside orb on NQ. I want to see if it could just make a higher orb.
Could be a bear flag breakout. Let's just wait for orb and be patient. We're seeing some strong top side wickage. Wickety split.
Did we eat tacos yesterday?
Wickety split, bro. Listen, I actually don't feel well. I didn't eat tacos at all this morning. I wasn't feeling too well. I had pancakes for dinner. I had left some leftover pancakes from breakfast. I had pancakes for dinner, and that shit made my stomach.
You don't leave leftovers.
My stomach hurts so bad.
No, you got no idea, bro. My stomach is killing me right now.
If NQ can stall out, here's the short. We just need NQ to break below like 38 to 40. If NQ can get below 40, 38 to 40, Llama, I like a little droppity drop here. I like a little droppity drop here.
40 tab, but does it break it? That's the question. Did you say you left leftovers? Like, I don't believe that.
No, bro. Have you ever eaten at Kiki's?
The breakfast spot? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Kiki, bro.
They got one out here? I only been to the one already.
They got a Kiki's out here, boy. That shit's fire, but fucking pancakes are huge. And so I couldn't finish the pancakes, bro. And so now
my stomach is killing me.
My stomach's
I had a Cali burrito.
Oof, big boy.
Burrito with French fries inside and Takis on top. I'm not gonna lie. Shit my pants this morning.
Takis?
Crazy. Takis on top. Yeah. Fucking assholes hurting.
That's the most filthy shit you've ever said, my boy.
Bro, it was bad.
Right, I even bought a good looking candle.
Oh, there she's going, you dirty bitch. Why did you have to do that without us?
Wow, I said it was good for a short. Who was in it? I said it.
Oh,
holy shit. Holy shit. I said it.
A little higher, but it was just too aggressive. Midline. Does midline give a bounce or what does it do?
Well, that just made orb look really good. That short helped out a lot on the orb look there. Oh my god.
It was a perfect 2 candles ago. It was a perfect tap of topside orb. I was just thinking of getting a Arista reward in there, but
now it's tapping midline on SPX. I mean, it was a clean 3Z. Did anyone just catch that short? Yo,
a lot of people got it.
I'm fucking crazy, bro. I sold my options, guys. Thank you. I did sell my options.
Looking through the midline.
This looks like a midline retrace too, Llama. This short looks like it could go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna post a little recap for the students here, some mastermind students. I'm gonna post a little trade recap here. Easy. It was a number.
Is that a news candle? It was 46.
Break short. Perfect. Maxway. Right there. Mastermind students. I just tagged you. Futures 1 students coming right now. That was just the most simple Maxway trade I've ever taken. Recap.
Bro, we just ran through that wick. I mean, if we could tap midline, I'd probably catch an entry there. Gonna go without us, to be honest.
Oh, Llama. I'm so goddamn good, bro. It's like unreal. Students, there you go. I just posted it for you guys. There's the continuation off that midline. There's another 20 points off that continuation of that midline. This is down 50 points from the initial short. The short looks really fucking good. I love the short all the way probably to newer lows or something. What was the news there? There must have been something we just got caught in.
There's no news.
No
It
news?
was probably a tweet or some shit. There's no news until tomorrow.
I think the short looks great, especially if we break that 800 mark. I think we need to come down and test that 800. Oh, it did test 800. Oh, it did. Wow.
It's a midline tab. The midline tab.
Look at this dude chosen fucking paper trading 531 contracts on the sideways chart. You get it, my boy. You get it, my boy. You keep killing it. The dude's got 531 cons. He's up. He's up a smooth 1.4 milli.
Yeah. So jumped in on my pros at the midline.
You jumped in on the. This is a beautiful rejection right here, Llama. You jumped in shorts.
Yeah, I'm filled at 822.
Oh, you got a perfect fill, my boy. Oh my God.
Yeah, no,
I'm looking at your screen right now, and I'm drooling the max way. Guys, don't forget, Funded Futures family. 1 day to pass ends tomorrow. And you can easily pass these accounts with what Llama's putting out right now. I'm telling you. Also, don't forget at 5 o'clock today, we got a huge podcast. It's going to be very huge. We got the CEO of Funded Future Family, Manny, coming in. Manny is coming in. Danny's dad. It's going to be great. That short looks so fucking good. I just told you that short looks so
I might
good.
scale into it if we break out.
If we break we break lows, you got to scale into it, Llama. If we break lows,
I'm only with 5 micros,
listen, Llama,
I'm 100 on the pros.
I'm not giving you financial advice. NFA, we're not financial advice. But you just caught a banger short, my boy.
Yeah, I literally said, if this comes to tap midline, like why not?
SPX breaking orb to the bottom here with strong break of SPX. Let's wait for this candle to close and see what happens, but beautiful staircase down.
I'm up 700 on the pros, though. I just want to break out and I'll scale into this bitch. No
SPX. This is a clean print through on SPX. Clean print through. Let's see what this next candle gives. Yes, bang!
Oh, there's a breakthrough. Oh my God, I'm up 1,000.
Llama, let's go, bro! I just told him you could pass an account with this. I just told him, bro. I see it, my boy. You don't gotta tell me. I see it, my blood. I see it, blood. You don't gotta tell me. Now here's the thing. Llama.
I want to skip it so bad.
I don't know why we're just water falling down. Let's go. That short was nasty, but there is a huge MVG on the chart right now. Huge MVG on the chart. So I'm gonna play. I don't know how to play. I don't know how to play this. Maybe one. I mean, it's just dumping.
I don't know how to play. I don't know if I would I want to scale in, but not right now. I'd rather wait for an up move and then scale it and then see how it goes. Right, I'm looking at $1,000 I could withdraw tomorrow.
I mean, looking at the larger time frames, bro, it's scary how far SPX could drop.
Yeah, I mean, bro, I have levels all the way at 670.
Right, it's scary how
this could go for over 100 points. I think if we this is what I was waiting for the whole time. I just didn't catch it at the top.
Right. I think this
little candle entry at bottom side orb here.
This little
bottom side orb scale.
Yeah,
maybe.
I'm gonna wait and see if we get a candle flip. I might play a candle flip long just to see if SPX gets up to 93. We really need to see some relative strength on NQ though. NQ's got to get back up to like orb around 80 to reclaim some kind of buyers, I'm sure. Nice trade, Llama. Damn, we're hitting bangers today, my boy. I want to see SPX hit some kind of a candle flip for it to even remotely look good. Ooh. Let's see if we can catch one more on the day, baby. Let's see if we can catch one more.
I'm up $500 with 5 micros. That's 200 ticks, right? It's like 50 points.
Yeah, it's beast.
Mentored at 22.
Some double wicks there.
I didn't see no orb. I wanted to skip it. We gotta be careful. Where we're stalling at is a super higher time frame FVG, like super higher time frame, and we're right at the midline of it.
Right.
Could give a pop up. I'm just gonna trail. I have partials at 75. Amazing. I have partials at 87.
Amazing job, dude. I don't know what kind of. There must have been a tweet or news or something, because you don't just see fucking that. You don't just see that 100 point drop in 10 minutes with just because. There must have been something, guys. Come on.
500 with 5 micros from Coach Pay to Play. My fucking guys are good job, boy.
Good job.
I like to see.
We got a very steep.
Oh, we're breaking this bitch. Oh my God. I'm gonna just trail another 2 even closer.
Go Llama, go.
I'll just let it pay me out. Even though I wanted to scale it, bro, this really might just keep dumping, dog.
Oh, it looks like it's gonna keep dumping. Nothing says it ain't. Nothing
I
says
hate
it ain't.
how light I jumped in.
Well, there's your first push. SPX did not move at all. NQ showed a little bit of green, but NQ did not move at all. I mean, the opposite. SPX did not move at all there. This dump.
We'll put a partial right on top of that wig. My second partial is going down to
keep holding it, baby. Keep holding it.
70.
We're at a very big psychological
This
level
bitch is
here.
gonna
That 750
go.
mark. We're at a psychological level. Let's see if this
Yep.
breaks. If this breaks, could potentially be another scale part, my boy.
Yeah, I know. I wanted a perfect tap of orb and it didn't give it, bro. So annoying.
Beast. Look
I
at
mean, bro, this is $1,500 I can withdraw tomorrow. You know, TPT daily withdrawals, code BDM, code P2P. In case you guys were wondering,
That's too easy. That's too easy.
what I might do after this to not even fuck with the pros. There's one partial taken out.
Here we go. Here's the first sign of a 75. Here's the first sign of a flip. If SPX can get 58 to 59, 58 to 90, unless there's 3 bars down.
And you just flipped right back around. I'm trailing right back.
Flip right back down, boy. 58 to 90. That's what you would need on SPX to be bullish. You need 58 to 90 to hit. That was crazy.
Oh, it's gone.
You just partialed out there?
Bro, I have 4 micros running. Yeah, I have 2 trailed right up here, right on top of that candle.
Okay, let's watch SPX. Hold on. If it hits that 88, if it hits that newer high right at 88.70, I'm gonna probably try and scalp along, Llama.
Yeah, I'm gonna just trail everything close, and then I'm just gonna catch a re-entry on the sell. I don't even care. It's $1,500, bro. I could withdraw this shit tomorrow. So
tomorrow.
Fuck that.
Tomorrow. Llama's taking $1,500 tomorrow. Okay, there's that pop over 88 and a continuation candle. I'm gonna scalp. I'll probably go for the scalp long. Probably go for it here.
There's another partial. I got 1 micro running. I'm gonna catch a scale if we pop all the way back up. I'm gonna pay myself now to jump back in.
I'm up 200. I'm up 200 on the scalp long. I'm gonna trim some profit. Oh yeah, right there. I'm gonna trim some profit right there, baby. I'm back in only half a minute. Micros, baby. There it goes. There's the SPX MVG fill right there, baby. There's the MVG fill. Oh my lordy, I'm up 30 points. I just took a quick. I took it. I took the whole thing. I took the whole thing. SPX pop break back in the orb. I'll scale into it. There it is, baby. That's how you play a fucking max. That's how you play an MVG. What's an FVG? FVG's for fucking.
Yo.
My bad. My bad. Hold on. I almost slipped out big right there, my boy. Hold on. Hey, almost slipped out big right there, my boy. Hold on.
Don't get us demonetized, Tubby.
FVG these nuts. MVG.
I mean, bro, this is that type of orb. This is that type of orb on NQ. Like, NQ is not inside. ES is. It's tricky, but I think we reject. I would love a reject.
Right. I'm done for the day, Llama. I'm done for the day. Here we go, team. Who wants to see this? Bang, right here, Llama. Look at the total for the day, baby. Killed it. Look at the total.
God damn, twin.
Yep.
What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You fucking idiot.
No.
You can only have 5.
No. Bro, nothing even matters to me. If you look, Llama, it's actually Llama. Let me educate you, Tradeovate King. Those are the same accounts, my boy. It's only 5. That's MNQ and NQ contracts, player.
Oh.
But I'm one and done.
Oh, those are the same account numbers. You're right.
Potential 3Z up into orb.
3Z into orb.
Bro, yeah, 3Z into orb right now would be crazy to work. Yeah. Damn, I didn't expect that MVG to pop up like that. I would have loved to see on a relative strength day on NQ, Llama. That is a printer. That's the easiest 30 to 50 points in a minute, bro. That's a one and done, son. Poppy, why you no listen? Poppy, why you no listen? I'm logging off my fucking accounts. Today, listen, I'm doing a new challenge, you guys. I told y'all, you're going to see me in the same take profits every day. I'm trading 1 mini and 1 micro. 1 mini and 5 micros. That's what I'm doing. One and done, same account. I just made $150 on fucking micros, bro. That's crazy work.
I made $550 on 5 micros.
Yeah, that's crazy work. News in 1 minute. What news? Hold on. RCM tip economic optimism index.
What the fuck?
Optimism on these nuts. You better be optimistic. Fuck.
Better be optimistic.
You better be optimistic, fuck. Damn.
NQ did not break back into orb. That was the re-entry.
Man, it's not even 10 o'clock yet, bro. Am I really about to do a roll call? Am I about to do a roll call? Say, put a 1 in the chat if you're ready for the roll call. Put a 1 in the chat if you're ready for it. Shit.
Do you remember what it was in Spanish? I don't remember.
Profeto Rolo Colo. No, I have no idea. I had
Rolo Colo.
I had a fucking Google Translate.
This was my scale, and I fucking clicked buy instead of sell and took myself out of the position.
We both did that shit. Embarrassing.
I always do that shit, bro.
Let's see
I
this.
always do that.
Let's do this. You guys ready for it? Big Daddy
There's a
Max.
dumper newer low on NQ. Who took this?
Watch this,
We
Llama.
waited for
Watch
this recap of Orb.
All those other Discord owners, please leave. Please leave. I'm done trading for the day. If you're in
All the
another
other Discord
Discord
owners
trying to
are
call out the
outta here.
bangers, please leave. We're done for the day, and it's time for the motherfucking Profit Roll Call. We got 208. We got 1114, 775, 685, $81, $244. We got 2781 on the day. We got a past account. Congratulations. $430. Green 975, 245, 780, 1590, $169, 1970, $100, $977, $11,355 across 4 accounts. 1132 on the FFF, 770. 255, 257, 265, 1207, 991, 200, 2023, 1395, 300 times 2, 2770, 450, 1285, 843, 3K on the funded, 1594, 479, 1594 again, 307, 826, 1165, 130 on the paper trading. Good job on the paper trading. That's still very good. 1590, 27 times 2, third payout, JM. Third payout coming, my boy. 410, 1220, $700, 650, 735. Past account. Congratulations, Big Sarge on the past account. God bless y'all with the 2220. Past 3 pros. Terry, congratulations. 240 for old Greg, 135, 47, 80, 1388, 300, 1106. Jesus Christ. 826, 700, 82, 90, 380, 1670, 680. All right, guys. God.
Slow it down. Our boy's gonna catch a heart attack.
I'm about to fucking pass out. Oh, is this an orb break?
Look at Droptimus. He said, this candle about to dick me. That's pretty gay.
Ew.
That's pretty gay.
Droptimus said,
and he said
this
wick.
candle's about to dick me. Look at this. Droptimus trying to put the eggplant emoji on that. Droptimus trying to get dicked down by a candle is, ugh. I took the orb break long. I'm up 200. I took the orb break long. I'm up 200.
Big deal.
I'm up 200. In at 79. Stop loss at candle low at 80. No big deal.
Still waiting around, bro.
Plus $20 no matter what.
Still again.
And it's dumping.
Yo, we had 100 people leave after you said you're not trading.
I told you, look.
That's the front of the trade.
That's the other Discord. That's the other Discord owners.
They're like, fuck, Max, please, I need another one.
Max, please, I'm wicked out right there. Damn, plus $40. On the paper. I'm logged out of my broker. FFF. I might YOLO an FFF account. Should I get a fucking a 50K FFF loaded for the YOLO, Llama?
For the YOLO, duh. You know it's 1 day to pass. Code BDM.
It's 1 day to pass. So let's hit a strat 4 real quick. Let me lock and load real quick. And I already know where I'm going. I'll tell you right now where I'm going. I already know what I'm shorting. Hold on. Let me lock and load real quick.
You already know what you're shorting? Oh my god.
I meant no, I didn't say that. One guy said, Max, please don't go long. Please. Please, God. One and done, baby. Log on off. Great day, everyone. We lost our Discord owners. Go away. Shoo. Tell everybody you had such a good day. Shoo.
I can't believe JM's on his 3rd fucking payout, bro.
And he's going to keep rocking, messing with me. Llama, let me tell you something. My stomach is throbbing in pain right now.
Bro, I thought I was the only one.
Bro, these pancakes I had last night, and I thought I was good, and my stomach is fucked up.
Yeah, mine too. Like, it's bad.
Oh my God. Guys, real quick while I'm loading this account. Nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. We're filming the Big Daddy Morning Show. Please enjoy all of the resources in the free Discord. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you appreciate the Big Daddy Morning Show putting in the work every day for you guys. And make sure you check out the trading bots, the fucking Gamma, the tweets, the futures trading watch list, the great community, the free alerts. We got Sean, Jake, Shark. We got all the free alerts. We got the best community. Don't forget to tip the staff, guys. Tip the staff. We got some banger staff here, and they need some coffee. Buy them a damn coffee. And as always, guys, all you need to do to support us, if you want to trade like us, you can check out the orb indicator. You can check out the quantum indicator, the free indicators, the coaching, and the courses. You got the mastermind, you got the pay to play university, and you got the motherfucking futures 1. Guys, don't forget to check it all out. And as always, all we ask is if you're going to buy prop firms? Why not just buy a prop from us? You're buying a prop, why not buy a prop from us? Ooh, what you got there, llama?
Protein shake in a nice, look at this.
You drinking titty milk?
You know it. Stop playing. I'm a shape like that cup. That's fucked up. I said that's horchata. Brother, I'm not Mexican. That was crazy. Is that a horchata? You see, like, what's going on with all these racial slurs just getting thrown in the chat right now?
There's a lot of them. This chat's out of control. Yo.
Look at the chat. What the fuck is that? Why are we crouched?
Why are we midgets?
Yeah, why are we, I didn't even think about that. Why are we midgets? What the fuck? How do you guys even on skates
this shit disturbs me, bro. You guys are disturbing people. You guys are disturbing fucking people. Seriously, you're out of control. You're out of control. Nasty work. Nasty work.
I already drank my warm water with lemon and fucking paprika or whatever the fuck is in that shit. And a protein shake. Basically a salad. I'm basically healthy as shit.
Dog, you are being healthy as shit. What you trying to get into? You trying to lose weight for real, llama?
My boy, I got a lot of things planned this year. You feel me?
You on a diet for real? Hey, you really on it right now?
I'm him. I ain't even tell you I've been going to the gym at 5 a.m. But you know we'll put that for another time.
What gym you go to? Who you train with?
By myself.
There ain't no fucking shot you going to a gym, fat ass boy.
You got a weak ass hairline.
That's why you got a creasy ass eyebrow.
That's fucked up, bro. Take that back.
I take that one back. My bad.
That was fucked up, bro.
That was fucked up. But you keep fucking around with that diet, maybe that crease will loosen up a little bit. You fuck around with that diet, boy. Maybe your pit bull looking dog face will fucking turn into something clean, crispy, smooth.
This motherfucker.
I'm ready to YOLO, llama. Llama, I'm YOLOing. Here we go.
I'm waiting for a specific entry and I'm gonna sell it.
I'm gonna start with 5 contracts.
Look at it later.
5 contracts. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, we're breaking this orb. We're in the uptrend. Everything telling me to go long. Everything is pointing up for me, llama. I gotta take
Thank
the long.
God, yes, go long. I'm looking
going
for
long.
shorts. Go long.
I'm going long right now. YOLO count. Get ready. Get set.
You better hope you could pass it in 20 points because I don't think you get it more than that.
I'm in. I'm down 300. What the fuck?
Yo.
Oh no, I'm up.
There's no way. There's no way Paulin just said that. Paulin fired.
What she said?
That's it. Paulin's fired. She said llama at the gym and it's a GY in yellow with a McDonald's M.
Damn.
Easiest ban of my life.
Why they put you with the ketchup, man? Yo, that one looks really like you. These AI photos are creepy, bro. Llama at the gym. Yo, Paulin didn't have to do you like that just now.
No, she did me bad,
she
bro.
did you
like,
bad
what the
right
fuck
now.
Is that about? I hope your buy is getting ready to close because I'm hopping in a cell in a bit.
Bro, I'll scale in.
Just wondering.
We print through the mid orb line, the SPX mid line. I'm gonna scale in.
I want to see a wick. I want to see a wick through it and a body close under. Look, I'm gonna say this right now just for the video. I want to see a wick into this FEG that I have, and then I want to see the body close under the midline. I'm jumping in. I'm closing my eyes, turning my computer off. And I'm going to be looking at like 20 bands later today. And you're going to be like, oh my God, llama, how did you do that?
Then watch this. Then watch this. I'm going to look for a 3-bar break of midline to the upside. I'm going to scale in full cons. And I'm going to take profit at the top of orb. Or a straight print
You're
through.
gay.
Or a straight print through. What'd you call me?
You should train with Dennis Jenkins Jr. He'll get you right. He lives in South Florida. Very successful businessman working out in his life. He'll change your life. Real talk.
Why you sound like one of the bots that comment on all my videos, dog? Why you sound like a bot right now? You should train with Dennis Jenkins Jr. He'll get you right. Live in South Florida. My life has changed. Very successful businessman. You sound like a bot, my boy. Forever solid. You ain't no bot. Why you acting like a bot?
I think he's been wanting to work out with us. I remember him. I think he said he lives in Hollywood or something.
Oh,
there's the wig. This is kind of interesting.
There's a print through.
Isn't that interesting?
This candle closes. Ready? I'm scaling in. Max cons. Here we go.
Oh no! Don't tell me that it just gets out of there.
Max cons scaled in. The account is officially going to be blown. The account is blown at 98, 798. The account is blown at 798, and it's passed at the top side of orb. Perfect.
My God, we got the top of the FEG. We're already pushing outside of it. If we break under midline, I'm jumping, bro. Already.
Boy, ain't no way I'm failing another YOLO. Ain't no way I'm failing another YOLO.
All right, I gave you the word for word verbatim fucking entry, bro.
Ain't no way I'm failing them. Damn.
I literally told you word for word what I wanted to do, and it's doing it.
Okay, well, fuck you. How about that? I think it's gonna.
I haven't taken a trade on my evals yet. Should I just jump in on the evals?
It's gonna retrace back up, baby. We got this. Come on.
Oh my God!
There it is.
And flip, you dirty bitch. You know what? Come on. Let's catch the eval entry here, and I'm just gonna have a pretty wide stop here.
Here we go. I'm up 2,000, baby. 7 to go.
Jumped in on the evals here. Fuck it. Let's see what happened, MacD.
You went short against me, my boy? You went short
Yep.
against me? What is an MVG? I'm not going to tell you what an MVG is, my boy.
Oh no, it's a Ripperson, Maxie. Fuck. Been cooked on my fucking evals.
You better buy the course.
You better buy the course.
Mods.
Fucking thing.
Moderators, do your job. We're all having fun here, but there's also a job to be done. Please do your job, moderators. Where's Logan? Where's Logan? Llama, I don't want to say this. I don't want to say this, but Logan's gone very soft.
Bro, Logan's, I've been telling you he's pussy.
I'm gonna start calling him Lloyd for real. When he's acting soft, I'm gonna start calling him Lloyd. Lloyd, what is there anything that starts with an L that's softer? What's the softest name that starts with an L? Is Larry softer than Lloyd?
I think Logan is pretty soft. Like a soft ass.
Liam, Lenny, loser.
Liam is pretty pussy.
Liam. My best friend Ryan is naming his son Liam. I ain't gonna disrespect Liam no more. My boy Ryan's having a baby boy. Leslie for a guy.
Leslie for a guy.
A lot of people are saying llama. That's crazy work. That's the disrespect. Llama, ban them all. Ban them all. Get them out of here. Get them out of here, llama. They're not profitable. Get them out of here.
Let me see. Let me see llama one time. I'm dropping a quick.
I can't believe you shorted against me like this, my boy.
I told you what I wanted to see because I'm Himothy. Well, I'm the whole day I said I'm only looking for sells.
I'm up 19 hundo, player. So who's real Himothy? Yeah, damn.
Oh shit! I spotted a llama. Guess what?
Three.
Dumbass.
3 BZ. I'm up 3 grand.
Oh,
3,300.
no, I'm in the drawdown.
Unbelievable. Past 7 more evals. Congratulations. Yeah. So let's just call him. Let's call him Lance. Lance, because that reminds me of the dancer from NSYNC. That reminds me from the dancer from NSYNC.
Llama. This said I can't ban him.
But we message.
I was about to ban his
message or support for Paolin. Please meet me in the mod chat. I'm at break even now.
Yeah, I'm fucking rolling another $1,000 in profit on my pro accounts. I think I'm just gonna partial out here. Do I partial out or do I be a man? Let's just partial there. Partial 1. Oh my God, we're rolling. I'm so bricked up right now. It's crazy.
Well, you better get out of that because it's about to pop for me, boy. There ain't no way I'm failing this YOLO. All FFF accounts are 1 day to pass. All FFF accounts. Now you got to buy a new one. If you reset an old one that doesn't have the promo on it, you ain't going to have a 1 day to pass account. That's how props work. Buy a new account.
Go back down.
Buy a new account. Code BDM. Get yourself that 1 day to pass. And listen, today we have the CEO of Funded Future Family, Manny Mraz, Danny Trades' dad is coming on the podcast to talk business, baby. And Big Daddy Max, I got a line of questions I'm ready to ask. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to give away a lot of shit. We're going to have a good time. And I can tell you this, there's also going to be a sweet motherfucking promo. Like a sweet.
30 sack of shit, wick back out.
Yeah, I'm up 1,600. You better hope this don't fucking break a newer high right here, player. You better hope this don't break a newer high right here.
Oh my God, I'm taking out of the pros, you sack of shit.
Power Hour special is definitely still going on with Lance and Javi. The Power Hour special.
Lance. I think Leslie was
Here we go. 3,700.
Leslie was good. At the Express account. Oh, good job, brother. Up 700 on the Express.
700 on the Express. Love that.
From Zoogie. Good job, Zoogie. Why is that us eating KFC, a pizza, and burgers?
I don't know, but I'm up 4,800, baby. I'm only damn 60. I'm only 22 points away from passing the eval, baby. Come on. Let me get that YOLO. What are the official YOLO stats? I lost the last 3.
Yo, one more here.
I think I've passed 6 YOLOs and I've lost 23 now. I think it's 6 and 23.
I scaled another one there, Maxie.
You scaled into this?
I scaled into it.
Bro, this looks like
coming
really good for a long, my boy.
Yeah, well, guess what?
6 and 21.
I scaled into what's up.
Okay, well, I to be honest, I wanted to go up to 65, pass my account, and then dump 500 points. What do you think about that?
You had my stops at 56, and it's going to take me out. Evals are going to get taken out for minus 260, 280, minus 320 on the fucking evals. There's your account pass. The stops at orb. The rejection.
Let's go! It hit and wicked. It hit.
You didn't even notice.
Gold all in my chain. Gold all in my range. Gold all in my watch.
Really
don't believe me, just watch.
30 seconds.
Bro, look at the long been longing. Look at the 2 entries. Look at the scale in. Look at the exit. Ooh.
What the hell did I just read in the chat?
Yeah. Finish what line? Finish the line. Hold on, I gotta pass the count.
He said I'm short here. Good job. Short here is not bad. You know, topside ORB.
Nah, hell no. I'm about to hold on. Llama, take over. I'll get one more YOLO account. One more.
Over what?
The damn show, fool. Talk to the people. Do something.
What I'm doing?
Apex is 80% off now. They just started another 80% off sale.
Oh my god, these guys have been 80% off since I fucking first ever heard of them.
Apex just went to 80%. We've got word. Someone used code BDM and confirm. Can one of y'all pull up code BDM and confirm we're at 80%?
Still logged into my evals. Wow,
right.
This guy's still on the buy with 30 30 minis.
This one's a 50K llama. This one's a 50K. I'm going long. 3 contracts.
The OR break, I like
3
it.
contracts.
The 3-bar OR break is interesting.
Yeah, I like the 3. They just needed to close above 3 contracts. I need to get up to 18. Oh, that's pretty far for 3K. It's all right. I might scale up to the 5 con max. If we pull down, I'll scale up to the 5 con max. Tal C, you hit the payout on Apex? He hit the payout threshold. Blow it up for our fucking mastermind own Tal C. Congratulations, brother. Let's go. Blow it up on Apex, my boy.
I think this is such an unnecessary up.
Okay, we're up 600 on the new one, baby. The long is longing. The long be longing. Hey.
YM.
Bro, oh. I'm up 1,300. I'm scaling max cons. I'm scaling max cons into the breakout here. I'm long max cons, baby. Yeah. Let's push it. 30 points away from passing.
Easy out of orb is fucking clean, bro. Holy shit.
That was a terrible average in. Hey.
That was a terrible.
Wow. Damn, Orb is king. And Daddy Max.
Yo, Forever Solid replied, said, I do write great things about y'all under your post whenever I see it, so I guess I am a bot. And if Llama's serious about getting in shape, I suggest alternative for him, but I've been supporting y'all about great things y'all done since January, the first episode. Y'all even almost voted me top comment, calling me bot for support. Y'all is whack.
Damn, dog, don't get your feelings hurt, ugly ass boy.
We were just kidding.
We're just joking around, bro. You can't take the heat. Get out the kitchen.
God damn.
God damn, dog.
Fuck.
It's not like we called you some wild shit. We called you a bot, my boy.
Fucking NPC.
Sensitive ass NPC.
Jesus Christ.
We fuck with you, bro. We fuck with you. Forever Solid 123. God
Forever
damn.
Solid 123. That guy.
He was hurt. He was, yeah. That's how we know he actually likes us, Llama, because he was
right.
He was fuck, man. Yo, I thought
these guys in fucking January, bro. They don't fuck with me.
I've been here since day one. They called me a fucking bot.
Me of all people, I'm a fucking bot, bro. Really?
He hit one of these. He read they talking about me? No.
No, January 1st.
I've been here since day one.
He's probably wearing like the MO t-shirt right now.
Did anybody confirm? Did anybody confirm Apex 80% off? Did we get confirmation? Yep, 80%.
Oh, we fuck with you, bro.
Okay, we're 80% off, baby. Let's go. My loads.
Just be trolling, man.
Load the Apex. Apex. Is it one day to pass?
No, Max. What am I looking at?
With 1 second, 80% offset. Use code
Max.
BDM.
Nick, put it on right now, Nick.
What is it?
Put this on right now. Yo, Max, don't tell me that's who I think it is.
Let me see. Hold on.
Nick, you're taking too long, bro. Put this shit up right now. Yo, there's no way, Max. This is not you.
I'm up 2,300. I'm up 2,300 on the YOLO. Here we go. 10 points away from passing my second account. Hold on. No. I'm close. Oh, it's 2 points. No, it just needs to hit 9. Come on, hit 9. Hit 9 for the 3K. Bro, I literally just needed to hit 950. It just tapped not right on the dot and didn't close.
Max, are you looking at my chart?
Nope.
There's an area of interest.
Nope.
Take a look at it.
I'm about to pass a YOLO. Let me focus, please. I'm about to. Bitch, I could probably disconnect your fucking screen myself, ugly ass. I'll disconnect the whole file. Disconnect all 3 of y'all motherfuckers right now. I will.
What does I need some pick me up mean?
Bro, I was living in Europe. I was in the field. I was in Slovenia in a training mission. I ain't had no women, no pee in like a fucking week. And I was hurting. Back then I was a man-ho. I was hurting. So I was in the field for a week. So I got on the Snap. I was like, and I went to all the socials. Snap me up. I needed some pick-me-ups. Back then we used to call pick-me-up. You know what I'm saying?
That's what that's called.
Yeah, so I snapped all the ladies and I said, "Come on, give me with a little pick me up." You know what I mean? I'm hurting right now, and yeah, that usually worked. I was a little manho out in Europe, Llama. I was very bad man, real bad man. I used to do some real nasty shit. That picture right there, that picture with the tongue out, that's me paragliding in Barcelona past the World Trade Center, which was fire. You could keep posting all the photos. I mean, they're all dope ass photos. You could keep posting them. The selfie with the eyes. I mean, look at the eyes. Look at the selfie.
I like how Max keeps ignoring me. Fuck him.
He's on Sean. He's on my Instagram and on my personal Instagram that nobody knows about. He's on my personal Instagram that nobody has or knows, and he's looking up on all my oldest photos. Dumbass. I like how Max.
That voice said, "Snap me, peeps."
You fucking retard.
That voice said, "Snap me, peeps. I need some pick me up." God damn, motherfucker.
Idiot, dude.
Oh my god, yo, can we bring someone up?
Hold on, boy. I'm about to hit this. Did I just get?
Oh, you're still in.
No, I'm still in. It literally needs one tick higher, and I pass my second YOLO. I'm done for the day, bro. The long looks so good, Llama. I can't believe anybody didn't jump on that motherfucking long.
You know what's crazy? It was clean off the quarter point.
I can't believe it.
I still think today ends dumping.
If you,
I'll be looking for.
If you try and request me on my personal Instagram, I'm not going to accept you, dumbass.
So how did they already find it?
Because this fucking retard V Lee posted it in the chat.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, I should ban you, to be honest. I mean, I'm just gonna ignore all of them. I have a personal IG that I post all my family and friends from that I grew up with on, and I don't fuck with none of y'all on that bitch.
I don't even got that IG.
You don't even got that IG. Fuck. Yeah, you could be on it. Y'all friend request you on it. It's just all it's just like all my travel shit, and then my family, and then my wife tags me in a bunch of my daughter's pictures.
Right.
But you know, there's just weirdos like Sean who like posting that stuff. I should ban Sean right now. Ugly ass fucking bitch.
Easy ass ban.
Why does Max keep ignoring me?
Llama's just Max's work buddy.
Because you retarded.
Me and Max are only friends while we do the morning show. After that, we do not converse. We don't speak. We don't hang out.
Pictures of my daughter. What, you got a personal IG or is it just sober pay to play?
No, I only got one IG. Never made another one.
Yeah, I just followed you, Llama. I just followed you.
Long signal? No, yesterday someone said, so whenever Llama says he's entering the shorts and closing his account to open it later, massive profit, that's a long signal. 2 days in a row. No,
I'm not gonna follow.
I didn't take one long yesterday. Only shorts. I literally said I'm only taking shorts.
Bro, I'm so salty right now, bro. How did that shit top wick me and not fucking take profit? So I'm not gonna follow you. I don't know you, motherfucker. Why the fuck do you
about me?
Why would you? No, this dude in the chat. Why the fuck would you want to just see pictures of my baby?
Right.
It's just like pictures of my fucking kid. Like, you want to just watch pictures of my child and be like Sean and post fucking old ass photos? I mean, you could if you want to. I think that's kind of weird.
It's an easy ban there, Jimmy.
Nah, V Lee straight. He's been here for a little while. He's good people. He just wants to troll the old pictures that I got on there.
The way you got the clean ass all white fit.
Which one you looking at? Oh, Columbia?
It's bottom left. Now with Brooke.
Oh yeah.
It's a good shirt right there. Where'd you get that shirt?
The white tee?
Yeah.
That's just a regular Carhartt white tee.
I'm playing.
That's these right here, bro. That's why they're so comfortable.
Right. Oh, you're good. I think Gen Z is now calling these Drake candles.
Come on, boy.
I don't know why.
I just need 10 points. Let me get that alarm.
I think you're good, bro. We just hit a clean ass break and retest of the 236. I wasn't even
good,
looking.
My boy. I've been good. Wait, I set an alarm on it now. Is sober pay to play taller than me? Llama is not taller than me. Llama is not taller than me. When am I traveling again with Brooke? Brooke is.
We didn't even take a high. How the fuck did you get it?
No, I set the alarm right below it and it went down. Are you fucking kidding me?
You're good, bro. You're good. This is clean. This is clean to go for another 100 points.
All right, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna set another alarm.
Check out Uniqlo. What the fuck is Uniqlo? What is that? Uniqlo.
What's that?
Asian H&M. Who the fuck wants to wear bro? Asians don't make clothes in me and Max's size.
Yeah, there's no Asian person in the world my size. You fucking Koreans are out of control in the chat, especially Sean. Sean's probably drunk right now. What is 6? It's 4:30 in the morning. It's 4:30 in the morning where Sean's at.
Soju shots.
Yeah, my boy's
It's like
definitely
6 soju shots.
coked out of his fucking mind right now. Sean's coked out of his mind. Just finished working the late shift. He's fucking. Let me join the
You
morning
see,
show.
the sumo wrestlers don't have clothes on because they don't make clothes for that size over there.
They
You
don't
fucking
make clothes
dumbasses,
that size in Asia.
idiots.
Fucking idiots.
They don't even make our shoe size over there.
They don't make no, bro. They don't even make my shoe size in America. How the fuck they gonna have it in Asia?
No way this bitch
The
reverted
only thing
back
we can
down,
go,
like,
yeah,
sorry,
me and Llama go to Asia. They're just gonna give us those big fucking diapers to wear and walk around and think we're professional. Fucking damn.
Somebody dropped him and said popped again. Tired of this shit. Weren't you doing good?
I thought he said he
Weren't
was
you
doing good.
Drop? Yeah, like I'm confused.
Let's see why he's failing. Bring him up. Drop. Come on up, buddy.
Get your stupid ass on the stage.
There's two reasons. Let's see which one it is. Well, he's still trading.
Yeah, he's either gay or
drop. Come on.
Drop. Wipe the tears and get on stage, brother. Come on. We're here waiting.
Is Sean a part of our team? Sean has been a part of our team since 2020. He's definitely fucked up right now. It's 4:30 in the morning. He's been acting a whole damn fool.
Sean smacked 3 soju bottles.
Sean looks like. Here's the picture of Sean.
I wish we could just drag drop. Okay.
Drop.
Let's hear it, drop.
What the hell?
Showtime passed 5 evals. First time trade copy. Good job, Showtime.
Let's go.
Fucking legend right there. Fucking legend.
Let's go. Where's he at?
What trade copier do you use? That's Tradevate, guys. He's just
drop.
Tradevate's built in trade copier.
Yeah, man. I'm saying the same shit.
What are you doing? Hey, look, that's Sean right there. Look at this. That's Sean, Llama.
For sure drinking soju right now.
He's tore up. Look at him in the chat. Sean's definitely fucked up right now. Look at him. Sean's definitely toasted right now in the chat.
ES took a new high and Q still sitting, bro. This shit better hit the TP for you. Drop, talk to us, bro. What's going on?
No, man. I took the breakout orb to the downside. Didn't work.
I mean, it played out. Did you hold it when it broke back in?
I mean, I was holding to like the middle of that fair value gap. Had that big one drawn up too.
Let's go. Let's go. There it is. Been waiting, my boy. You just missed on that 3K. Look at this second YOLO. Look at this. Orb break. Let it run, baby. Let it run. Why did you fight the orb break? Where do you even see an orb break on SPX?
You talking about the bottom side one?
The bottom, yeah. Like
it broke, retested, and fell back down for 45 points. Did you not adjust? Didn't trail accordingly?
Oh.
You just held while you were red?
Add that. 8 fucking YOLOs passed. 21 failed. I'm over 40%, almost 40% dub rate, baby. I'm making a comeback. Hey, Strat 4 is about to fuck y'all up.
I don't know, man. I feel like I don't know how to trade no more.
You probably don't.
Yeah.
What prior education do you have on trading?
When I first started back in like November, I was starting with supply and demand. So I was
wait a minute. We've had you up here 100 times. You don't even know how to trade?
I do know how to. I mean, I think I know how to trade, bro. My results would say otherwise, but
you know what it is? You know what it is? You don't know how to lose. You don't know. I mean, obviously you fucking know. You're very good at fucking losing, but you don't know how to lose.
Did you average into that loser? Did you average into it when it started going back up?
No. Yeah, I did.
You did.
Yeah, I did.
I just don't understand how you catch a clean move for 40 points and don't trail. Like you don't manage your position. You don't know how to manage your position.
It sounds like risk management. It sounds like risk management issue.
You didn't want to close in red. Like, how do you see the clean break back into orb, still hold, and it's like this is an obvious fucking uptrend, very obvious.
But it didn't break back at first. See, right here, I entered on this one.
You FOMO'd. Okay, it came back up to orb. That's your entry.
I re-entered and I didn't.
And you went down for 40 points, and you didn't like look show down. Show us lower. It went down 45 points. You didn't adjust. You didn't take partials. You didn't do anything. And then it came back out, and then you jumped. Then you just kept trading.
Look at that, Sean. Hey, Sean, look at the chat now, little bitch. Look at that.
But I don't know, like, when to exit,
when to exit a losing trade?
As soon as it hits green?
No, you exit a losing trade based off of structure. So if you look at my chart, I'm giving you guys so much here. I don't think everyone understands the favor that I do for you guys, giving you all these fucking levels and all these areas of interest where you should see price reacting off these levels, and then you can get an understanding of, okay, Llama's level got hit and it's reversing. This is probably going to keep going up. Structure starts getting broken. It's an obvious, indication where you have to change your risk management. You have to start trailing. You have to start moving positions. You have to start doing other things. because you're doing none of it. You're just holding it. You're just hoping that it can go. And the second you have hope involved in your trade, you need to close the trade. If you're getting into trades with no TP and all the no SL, no risk management prior, then there's no trade. I tell my mentees the first thing you need to do before clicking a button is figuring out the trade. Where's your area of interest? Where would your stop loss be? And then where would your entry? And then you can click a button. Without any of that, there is no trade.
Clicking the button is the easiest part. The market ain't gonna be some easy fucking come and go one direction most of the time. It's gonna move like water, and you gotta move like water with it. You have to be able to like change your bias. You have to know when to cut a loser. If you had 2 buckets in front of you right now, and you and one of them had a hole at the bottom, and you're trying to put gold coins in that motherfucker, would you keep, and you had a bucket that was made of stainless steel, would you throw gold coins in the fucking bucket that had a hole in the bottom? Hell no. Why the fuck would you ever do that? Why would you ever DCA into a loser? It should feel like shit. It should feel like you're throwing money away. You never DCA in the losers. Maybe once, but and then I'm talking about 3 or 5 more points, you're out of there. Maybe once, but if you break another structure, you're fucked. You should always want to put your eggs in the basket that is gonna give you the best risk to reward to make more money, better trade. But never average in, never fight the trend, never go against ORB, and recognizing small W bottom lows, whatever the fuck you want to call it, pattern, maybe a fib level that Llama probably has on his chart. All of that says that we had a momentum switch here, and I don't need any fucking indicators to tell me that. Price action told me that. So you got to focus in on that shit. You got to invest in your education, Drop.
So them big patterns, like I should study those.
Technical analysis. I mean, it's astrology for men, my friend. It is astrology for men. It works. It works, and I think that I think everybody should. I mean, and then that pattern, that one candle that I just told you about, that one candle, the previous candle was the low of the day. So it's not the candle you want to enter on. That one candle, the next candle, I always say it's not the candle you think it is. It's usually the next one. That candle was low of the day. And that candle since then has led to 170 point gain on the day from the low to highs. So you just gotta understand when a trade is not working for you, you need to get the fuck out of it. It should feel good to let go of a loser that winds up losing big. It should feel good knowing you made the right choice, win or lose. If you don't feel good, if I cut a loser and that thing runs, I'm like, fuck yeah, let's go. I love that. It feels good to me. But if I sit there and just let my money drain, I mean, I don't get that. I don't get that. God damn, why the fuck are you trading 131 times?
He's on 43 trades today, and he says he didn't even trade this session.
What the fuck?
He dropped 43 trades during Asia session. That's wild.
Right. So Drop.
But I appreciate this freaking
Llama just dropped some heat on you. My students are over here bitching at me for even showing you charts. Thebigdaddymax don't you normally show charts, but
appreciate that. And I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna get these fucking payouts, bro.
Stay motivated, my boy.
Stop chasing the money, bro. You're chasing for you to be up 40 points and not take partials or anything. It's because you're striving to get a bigger profit goal, which you shouldn't be doing. As a beginner trader who I assume has 0 payouts, you shouldn't be trying to catch a big ass payout. You want to just get a fucking payout. You shouldn't be, I want to make a couple bands. Bro, make a couple $100. You got to walk before you run. You were up 40 points. I assume you probably were in with minis, not even micros. So you saw a couple $100, maybe even 1,000, and you didn't take it. So you're looking at other people, and this is the problem with 2025. Is that the social media has a lot of people fucked up, where you're looking at other people's fucking profits and other people's gains, and you're comparing yourself.
Comparison,
you don't know what part of your journey that people are on.
Comparison is the thief of joy, and you should never compare your step 1 to Thebigdaddymax's step 20.
Yeah, well, no, way more. Like, bro, Max has been trading what, 7 years, Max?
7 years.
7 years. I can't even compare myself to Max. I've been trading 3 years.
Almost 7.5 full years. Yeah.
He's been trading twice as long as I've been trading. So I can't. You can't compare yourself to anybody that you see on the internet, especially in the chat. Like, and I tell this to a lot of my students: is you don't know what the other person's using. You could be trading micros, being disciplined, 1 trade a day, 2 trades a day, and then there's someone trading 5, 10 minis and just YOLOing a trade, and you'll never see who's actually consistent and who's not. So you can't be like looking at $700-800 and be like, oh, I'm not gonna, because it's not 5 bands. I did that. That shit fucked me up. My first ever payout was for 20 bands. My first ever trade on a live account. I posted the video. I've talked about it in a few interviews. My first ever trade was 20 bands. I came back from a cruise ship and I only wanted 20 bands every trade after that.
Right.
And it fucked me up.
Right.
I used to look at 16, 17K profit and not close it because I wanted 20, then I'd close it for 3 bands. So you can't like, and this is why I dropped that video saying you can't try to find consistency in a market that's inconsistent. You can't put numbers on it. You can't say I want to make X amount of money every day because you don't know what the chart's going to give you. You know, you took a 40-point play there. I took like 70, 80 points. I was trying to hold it for a couple hundred, but price reversed the whole way back around. So a lot of people, a lot of beginners are having the problem that you're having, where you'd rather spend $2,000-$3,000 on props over X amount of time instead of just spending money on your education. And I'm not telling you to do that. Well, we really don't give a fuck. We make money out trading.
Look at
so
this.
we really don't care if you buy our shit.
Look at
but
this.
That's what some people need.
I don't give a fuck if you buy my shit or not. Look at this. Look at this chart here. Production. Pull this chart up real quick. Why they put fucking... Damn, y'all did shit. Why Shalissa get done dirty like that? Look at Shalissa got done dirty. Look at this chart right here. Yeah. Drop. Look at this chart. Pull that up, production. Look at Big Daddy's. Look at my month. Look at the month I had.
Insane.
One trade, two trade, one trade, two trade with $1,000 withdrawal. 3 trades, one trade, two trade, one trade. And I didn't trade for 8 days that month. And then I pulled out 48.84. So I made $5,884 trading less than most traders ever do. Bro, you ain't never gonna see me driving around in no Lamborghini posting $200,000 gains, and I'm okay with that. But I make $7,000, I make $5,000 a month on one account. You do that 5 accounts, I'm up 30 grand for the month. You're a 1%er in the country. You're a 1%er, bro. Like I don't get why people trying to chase fucking so much.
Overnight, they're trying to chase overnight success.
Done, bro. You just one and done. Hit yourself a nice trade, bro. Since when is $400 or $500 a day not enough? That's 6 figures.
Yeah.
You were up. You were up 40 points. That's 800 per contract.
Yeah.
So there's no one to blame but yourself, obviously. But you know, obviously, you can look at the fucking gains. You can look at the gains and compounding. Win and grow over time and compound. And there's not one person in this chat who could say, "Oh yeah, I'm not happy with an extra $5,884 a day for fucking 15 minutes of work." That's crazy. That's crazy. You know what I average now? About $3,000 an hour. Because I fucking hit that one and dones and I'm getting out on my props, on my pro pluses and everything.
See, that's where I want to be. So I'm gonna just listen to y'all and stop fucking.
Start with fucking.
Stop bullshitting, bro.
You're bullshitting. Yeah, you're bullshitting.
You're bullshitting, and you got to understand is that you're not in the position to bullshit. I did what you did. I never paid for a mentor. I never even watched YouTube. I didn't buy a course. I didn't do none of that shit. But I was in the position to bullshit. I was able to lose $18,000 and not give a fuck on just prop accounts.
Right.
And I didn't care. But when you're in a position that you're in, that's going to keep fucking your psychology. We seen you in the chat. That's why we brought you up here. Your psychology is getting fucked every time you blow an account. You're not in the position to keep blowing accounts. You look at me and Max now, we blow accounts. We don't give a fuck. We already reloaded another one before even buying it.
I reload 10 before I even trade them.
Positions. You feel me? So that's the difference is we're in different positions, bro. You can't want to be at 3 bands, you know, a day right now when you're not even at 300. I need to take the time out and go buy someone else's fucking course. Don't even buy we don't give a fuck if you buy our course. I'm gonna say this one more time, but invest in your education or put the fucking time in. There's a lot of free education that you can buy, but put the time in.
Fact.
And then find someone that's going to give a fuck about you. You know, that's a lot of people's problem is that they'll pay for education, but they don't have someone that actually cares about their success. They don't have someone that cares about their journey. And that's something that's very important, bro. When you have people that are actually going to try to push you to that next level and help you and answer questions that you need to get answered, then you get to that next level that you're looking for, bro. Like, that's just how it is, bro. Like, you think I want to fucking you think I wanted to do this mentorship shit? I closed it down for a reason. It's a lot of my fucking time and it's not worth my time, but I enjoy the process that it goes through. I enjoy when someone comes to me struggling and I fucking help them out. And then now look, we just seen this guy 3 fucking withdrawals this week. This guy bought my course on Sunday. He's on his 3rd withdrawal already. He just got into my shit last week. So it's like, bro, when you see that shit, you see these people come struggling and now they're fucking light bulb hits. They lock in, they focus. It's very easy. It's very easy to care about something when you pay for it. But when you pay for something, you're going to give a fuck about it. But if I'm doing all this shit for free and I'm here looking at these 2 fat ass fucking idiots taking dumbass trades and fucking around having a great time, I'm not taking this shit serious. I'm not. I really don't give a fuck. So why are you gonna take it serious? If you pay to play, there's a reason I made this shit. It's not a brand, it's a lifestyle. It applies to everything. You pay to play for some shit, you're gonna give a fuck about it. You're actually gonna start caring more. You're good, bro. You lock in. You got us here. We bring your dumb ass up probably 50 times already. Yeah. We want to see you lock in.
Want to see you lock in, my boy.
I'm gonna just copy your course on credits and pay it back with my payouts.
I seen people pay back the mentorship, bro. My mentorship for 5 bands. I seen people pay that shit off the payouts.
Half my students make bread from the morning show, and then they're like, I needed to know how, and then they get the course, and then they're like, this is fucking ridiculous.
That's why we do this shit, bro. Yep. We do this shit completely free, so people make the money. You can go ahead and buy the course or do whatever the fuck they want. They invest in themselves.
Yeah,
you're not investing in us. We don't need it. You're investing in yourself. You're investing in that education that you need.
And now you need to go into your bio and change your pronouns to that unprofitable.
I think that might have been a typo in the first place.
You need to go back to your pronouns. If I remember, your pronouns read that profitable. You know what? I think you need to change it to that unprofitable.
All right, I changed it.
We like you, Drop. You're a good ass dude. We appreciate you. We always have you up here on the show, and we appreciate you, my man. And we want to see you succeed, bro. So don't quit, but lock the fuck in and get your mindset right, because holding a loser and averaging into it and blowing accounts in one day, that's crazy.
Right.
That's soon to be profitable. Drop, we fuck with you, bro, and we appreciate you, man. We want to check in. We want to check in with you.
Thank y'all, man. I fuck with y'all. I'm never gonna quit trading.
The only losers are the ones that quit.
Facts.
The only losers.
Facts.
The only losers are the ones that quit. You're just in drawdown. That's all you're in right now.
What do they say? How much you usually lose like your first couple years? I mean,
Everyone's pockets are different. Everyone's pockets are different.
I made 700,000 my first 5 months. Look, resonate in that, bitch. See ya. Get the fuck out of here.
Your stupid ass off my stage.
Get your dumb ass off my stage. I made 120K a fucking month for the first 6 months.
Ridiculous.
I didn't know what the fuck I was doing, to be honest. I was just gambling.
Right. Yolo and shit. Mm-hmm. Oh man, feels good.
Any promos for P2B? Hey, any promos for P2B University? Yeah, I think there is a promo. No, there is one.
I got one here.
Yeah, hold on. I think there is a promo. Hold on. Llama, post that promo right there. Oh, there's a good one. There's a good one. Oh, here's another promo. I got one here. Hold on, here's a promo. Yeah, I like this one. That was a good promo.
I think I got one here. Hold on. Got a good promo code right here.
Yeah. Hold on. I think I'm gonna have one more promo code.
I got one here too.
Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, here's a good promo code.
No, I think I got them there.
Okay. As long as they see it. I just want to make sure they saw it. Good shit, everybody. Guys, if you want to tap in, tap in. If you don't, we don't give a fuck.
No, bro, I closed my mentorship. I don't know if I told you that. They'll officially close off, bro. I'm not accepting.
Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. All right, it's 11 o'clock. Let's get somebody up here. Here's the official notice. Let's get somebody up here. Let's give away.
I'm in the mood to ban. Max, I'm in the mood to ban. I just saw something that I want to just ban right now. I'll tell you one thing. My own mother can't even tell me what to do. I just saw someone say, stop talking and start trading.
Who said that?
You're banned.
Hold on. Pull it up. Where?
He's banned already. He's already banned. Looking easy.
The guy right here, Jin002, stop talking and start trading.
He's banned.
Oh, no, I've been banned. Ah!
No, I didn't ban him. I just kicked him. I'll probably ban him I want to hear what he has to say. I'll probably ban him after.
Stop talking and start trading.
I've been in a banning mood, bro. I've been waiting to ban people.
Bro, those 2 kids that fucking stop yapping and start trading, Llama, remember them? They fucking begged to get back in for weeks. They begged to get back in the server for weeks, and now they're going to come running into my fucking DMs. Wasn't talking to us?
Oh, okay. Well, he can come back. I didn't ban him.
Who was he talking to?
I kicked him, bro. He'll be back. I might just seeing all this free shit and like, what do I have in my...
Fuck him. It's all right.
Oh, none of that matters.
Thebigdaddymax ever have an overtrading problem? Hell no, I used to have a gambling problem.
Yeah, me too. Me too, buddy. Very bad.
I know that's right.
Very bad. I think that's why I fell in love with trading though, because it's more controlled gambling. The TPC discount, is that for every month or just the first? Yeah, it's for every month. It says forever on it until they change the discount. Yeah, it's just the same, 30% off.
Bro, this dude, listen to this. Listen to this. Oh my God. Listen to this message. Hey man, I hope you see this. I joined your Telegram in early March. You already know, bro, where this is going. Oh, I joined your Bro, I already know I want to just know now, how bad is it? You know what I mean? How bad
It's
is
got to
it?
be a few bands if he said Telegram.
I joined your
He's
Telegram in
cooked.
March. One of you guys, I went into a private chat. Someone, it definitely wasn't you because I seen how you talk in your messages you share with the whole community. And whoever was talking to me had horrible English and spelling. Anyway, I agreed we would work with $500 to get my feet wet, and he agreed at the end of the week I should receive a withdrawal. It's been 3 months, bro, and even worse, he keeps telling me to deposit more money in the account. It sure as hell sounds and feels like I'm being scammed. I keep trying to explain that I'm a broke teenager and I can't afford to keep dumping more money into the account. He doesn't seem to get that. And now he's saying the account is locked and it's an additional $1,500 to unlock it. This is total BS. Can we work something out? I was really relying on that guy's help, and all he's done is empty my bank account.
Reply, sit, LOL.
What the fuck? Dude got scammed, bro. What do you want me to do?
Tell him to sit, bro. That's an easy sit. Tell him GG. Tell him back to the gulag.
GG's, my
GG,
boy.
back to
GG's.
the gulag.
Bro, it's crazy, though. I don't get it. He said, I could tell it's not you by the horrible English and spelling, but then I sent him $500. Are you fucking retarded? That's natural selection. You deserve to lose money. This is going to be a great life lesson for someone like that. Mods, let's hit that beware a scammer. Let's hit that beware a scammer button real quick. Let me hit that copy text real quick. Let me get that beware a scammer. Let's go ahead and forward this to the community chat, the live trading guys. You guys, I don't get it, bro. I don't get it. Turn your DMs off on the cord. Stop talking to people who fucking sound like they're not from fucking America. They don't even try to sound American. They don't even try. Right. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. Yo, get your ass up here. I see her. I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this. Jamie from Dubai. I see your ass in the crowd.
No, you found her?
Yeah, I see her ass in the crowd right there. Get your sexy ass on stage, Jamie.
Oh my God.
Here she is. Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Jamie, what's going on? Jamie.
Hey.
What kind of camera you got today? A fucking, you on Windows 95?
I'm on a cruise ship right now.
I'm on a cruise ship.
Which one?
Who you on a cruise with?
I'm
Adolbito?
with 6 of my friends from the States.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice.
Where they at?
We're in Greece right now.
Okay.
Oh my God, you got motion.
Yeah, Jamie's doing her thing. She's doing her thing. Jamie, we never ever got no follow-up, no nothing. Talk to us here. What happened? What's going on?
We're trading. I haven't seen Adolfo in a while since I've been traveling, but yeah, we've been trading. You guys
been trading because you got those accounts. How's your account and your trading going?
Let me see.
You're in Greece on a cruise and you're trading?
Yeah.
So you pay for Wi-Fi? Yo, you got money, Jamie.
No, it's not like that. Like we get Wi-Fi on the cruise.
Right, 6 of them. They definitely got a nice room. You staying in your own
room though?
Or you guys got like a suite?
We have a balcony. Like I'm watching the cruise ship leave Greece right now.
Okay. So you are trading on the cruise. Where your homegirls at? Drinking, doing normal cruise shit, and you're in here trying to catch along.
Yeah, we got done with a wine tour and came back, and it was time for the New York sesh, so I hopped on.
Let's go. So right now it's probably what, like 5 o'clock there right now? 4 or 5 o'clock?
It's 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock, right? 6 o'clock p.m. Getting ready. What's the nightlife going to be like tonight on the cruise? What are you guys getting into?
It's a bunch of old people, so it's really funny. Like we have there's all sorts of like 80s trivia and sing-alongs and dancing. So I know that everybody's like I'm a MILF or I'm old, but I feel very young on this cruise ship.
Right. I've never been on a cruise. But I've heard the stereotypes of the different groups that go on different cruises. She says she's definitely a coug. Yeah, she's definitely a coug. Jamie is actually 75 years old. She looks like that though. Yeah. She's taking care of herself. No, Jamie, so the you and Adolfo saga, that's just like a trading. Do you guys even text about anything, or it's just like a nah, like? Yeah,
for sure. We check in with each other all the time. We're always talking about accounts and trading. Yeah.
Good shit. That's a good day. That's fucking dope. That's badass. Bonding over the Big Daddy Morning Show, trading, having fun.
That's right. I know, we talk about it all the time. Like what are the chances that we ever would have met in Dubai?
Zero, right? Zero.
Not at all.
Right.
Yeah.
That's so badass.
We never ever would have met.
So where's the next destination for the cruise?
You
got another?
I think we're going to We're going to Istanbul, and then we're going to Athens, and then spend a few more days in Athens. We were in Italy already.
Hell
So
yeah.
we've been getting,
Hell yeah.
yeah, we've been doing
Badass.
it.
That's
We've been
awesome.
doing it.
And you enjoy your damn cruise, girl, and you have a blast. Are you profitable today?
Yeah, I hit a couple of good trades with you guys.
Let's go.
Got
Oh
those
my
longs.
God, that's
Did you catch
amazing.
those?
Yeah.
Did you catch those longs at the beginning of the
Hell
day?
yeah, I did. Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
go, Jamie.
So
You're a fucking
I
badass,
forgot my
dude.
computer charger at home, and literally as we were walking around the city today in Crete, I was like, I gotta get a charger just so I can hop on and trade with you
I
guys for a
love
few minutes.
The
Creed.
other friends trade too?
Creed is badass.
No, no. We all used to, a lot of us used to work together, and I was like, fuck it, I don't want to do this anymore. And I quit my job, and yeah, just been traveling and chilling and trading.
Badass, Jamie. What
You're
the
living the
fuck?
life.
He said all
Yeah, I
of us used to
be
work together, and I said, "Fuck this."
yeah,
Do
I
they-
used to be a corporate marketing executive
Wow. For
Wow.
how big of a brand?
in healthcare.
Mm.
It was, we only had a few
It's a room
locations.
and
I'm
a
giving
half.
y'all the balcony view for the
Let me see. Let
chat.
me see.
The chat wants to see the balcony view.
God.
Chat wants to see the balcony view. Hold on.
Looking like a fucking wow. Yeah, Creed is gorgeous, bro.
Wow.
We're getting after it. We just started sailing away.
Damn, her Wi-Fi is actually
Just left
hella
port.
good on a cruise ship to be like walking.
Good,
Yeah, I
right,
told
man.
you. We got, yeah,
I'm
we
telling
got
you,
this.
bro, she's loaded, bro.
Yeah, that Wi-Fi package about $3,000 a night.
Right.
be rocking
She's
like that.
great. Yo, Jamie, do you have are you interested in like a sugar baby?
Am I? No, I'm trying to be a sugar baby, obviously, with the cruise.
Right. She's trying to go find a fucking someone with a Rolls Royce, drove up, had the doorman let him into his own private suite in the back of the cruise. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. If you deserve it, the universe will serve it, Jamie. I hope you find a sugar daddy out there.
That's right. There's abundance out there. I'm just putting it out there.
I know that's right. Hell yeah. Jamie, you are a fucking badass. Profitable on the day, on a cruise, killing the trades. That's funny as fuck to me. That's so hilarious that you're out here chilling. I mean, and your homegirls are out. That's badass. So go have a fucking.
We all, yeah.
But I was thinking someone kept bringing it up, like, where's Jamie and Adolfo? And you guys both went MIA on my ass. I haven't seen him. So I saw your fucking profile picture in the chat just now, and I was like, wait a minute, I need an update. So everything's going good. You guys are still friends. That's awesome. Trading your accounts, profitable on the day, enjoying a cruise. Love that. Love that for you. I hope you find sugar daddy.
Right,
and hopefully,
right,
he's on the tame side of a cool 50-55. Just a little salt and pepper, good shape. You deserve it, girl.
Yeah, you do.
Thank you.
Absolutely. You go enjoy your cruise, and we'll see you soon, Miss Jamie. Chat, give it up for the lovely Miss Jamie. So that's pretty badass that they're still friends. That's pretty. Nick killed your ass. Hey, Nick killed your ass on a Zoom up, bro, during that segment. I'm sending it straight to your girl. Nick killed your ass. And as soon as the edit comes out, Llama, as soon as the edit comes out, it is going straight to your girl. I'm telling you right now, I'm going to tear my fucking ACL running that clip to your old lady's cell phone. I'm going to tear both my knees running that shit to your girl's phone, dog. You just motherfucking wait. You just motherfucking wait. You told my girl I fit in Lululemon clothes?
No, I told her I fit. And since you're apparently smaller than me, you should fit.
You told my wife I fit in fucking Lululemon?
Did she buy you the Lululemon?
She had me in Lululemon trying to try on shit, and it's embarrassing. I don't fit in nothing.
Nothing fucking fits.
Nothing fucking fits.
Fuck.
You piece of shit. No, you're a piece of shit. You told my fucking wife I fit in Lululemon, dumbass. Don't ever do that again.
I told her I fit.
No,
I told her I fit.
No, you fucking told her I fit.
I said Max should fit, and then I said they also got sewers there that can fix your shit up because you're gonna need like 3
Don't
shirts
ever
put
fucking
together.
tell my wife I fit in Lululemon again. You know how embarrassing that was? Walking in, trying to put the shirt on, and it's like this. And
But was putting a condom on.
yeah, fucking thing was skin tight. It was like this. Fucking putting a
It's a
condom
bear
on.
skin.
Don't you ever fucking tell my wife I fit in some shit like Lululemon again. Embarrassing. I walk out of there with headbands just so I don't fucking look like I spent an hour in the store for nothing.
Well,
Ridiculous. Fucking.
they got good underwear. You should buy the underwear.
I
I left with the headband just so it doesn't look like I didn't buy it. You're a fucking idiot, dude.
Embarrassing.
Like, I need to be so
Bro,
serious sometimes.
Why would I wear drawers? Ew. I would never fucking wear drawers. It don't matter what the brand.
I forgot. God damn, bro. I don't know how you talk sometimes and don't laugh at yourself. Like that was actually really funny. My fucking headband, so it doesn't look like I didn't buy anything for the past hour.
Yeah, fucking embarrassing. You know, there's like 900 people that work at the fucking Lululemon walking around, and they're all looking at my fat ass just have a whole fucking thing of clothing that none of them fit. And then, you know, I'm not the most quiet person in the world. So after every time I try on a fucking shirt, I'm like, this fucking sucks. And then my wife's on the south side. Amanda's just sitting there like this. I'm like, this fucking sucks. Nothing fits. Can we go?
No, but don't
try out the hoodie. The hoodie looks like the hoodie. The hoodie looks so soft. Try the fucking hoodie.Maybe you like the hoodie. I put the fucking hoodie on. I fucking pop my head on. I'm like,
yeah, bro. I feel bad for whoever goes to buy that shirt after. It's just not gonna fit.
Literally looks like I'm wearing a fucking condom. They probably had to throw all the clothes I tried on away because they went from XL to fucking 2XL and they still didn't fit me.
I fit in Lululemon.
No, I'm low key pissed right now. I'm low key pissed off right now. I'm low key pissed off.
No, you know, I told her, look, the shorts would be good. You should have fit in some shorts.
I know your ass. See, you did fucking tell her, you piece of shit. You did fucking tell her.
I was with you. We went to eat, bro, and I was like, yeah, bro, I've been in. I got a Lululemon.
Never fucking told her that.
Get the shorts. Shorts are not comfortable.
Never fucking told her that. Whatever, bro. Let's give away a free account. Get real.
Yeah, we had 200 people leave. Thank God. All right.
Now we're down to 600.
Really funny, bro.
We get down to
she has a fucking balcony suite. She's loaded.
Bro, you know she got bread, bro. You can tell that from day one. I don't care about her bread. I want her to find an old rich dude. That would make me happy. If Jamie found some old rich dude, that would make me happy.
Right. Hell yeah, guys.
Hey, look, she said, bruh, me too. Bruh, me too. Jamie's hella funny. Jamie's hella funny, bro. Bruh, me too. I want Jamie to find love. Well, maybe not love. Maybe contractual.
I love
maybe, even if it ain't love, account. Jamie, maybe it's contractual.
Maybe he could buy us all accounts, you know? Okay,
that's a real thing in Palm Beach. You know how many fucking Colombian women and shit are here on contracts? It's a real fucking thing. It's a crazy world, but there's a bunch of people, and I know a couple of them. My friends are friends with them, and they're here on special arrangements.
Friends are.
Yep. You know, and bro, I literally know one llama. I know one lady. She's nice as hell. She's like probably like 45. She's super cool. She was from Colombia and she's here. She has a straight up contract written out. Like we're not married, but I want you to pretend like you're my wife type shit. And it's crazy, bro. Like allowance, you know, sexual favors on a fucking calendar basis. Like it's crazy, my boy. Yeah. I tried to do it to my wife. I said maybe we should kind of have a contract like this, and she called me a fat idiot and get the fuck away from her, which is fair. What
was the contract? It was like you were trying to schedule appointments.
I was trying to tell her to leave me the fuck alone. I don't want to go fill her Stanley up with water ever again. I'm sick and tired of filling her Stanley up. It drives me nuts. Every time I'm about to sit down, llama, every single time I'm about to sit down, she has something that she miraculously forgot across the house. I don't want to ever do that again. You know, as soon as I get comfortable, oh yeah, don't let me ever smile at my phone. Oh, that shit. Look at this. If I just hit one of these, game over. You piece of shit. Did you fucking change the garbage like I asked you to? I've been telling you for 10 days to fucking help me vacuum the carpet. You're just fucking sitting there on your phone. Did you even cook meal prep for the week? Oh. And I got to hit him with and then I got to hit her with the, you're right, babe. I'll do it right now.
What? You say that?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Every time.
Why wouldn't you?
I hit her.
I would.
But I hit her with
what I would say to her.
But I really prove a point by hitting her with the biggest sigh of all time. I hit her with one of these. Fine,
babe.
All right, I'll go.
Bro, I'll tell you one thing, bro. When my girl tells me to do that, I look at her and I'm like, first of all, you're talking to a funded trader. Like let's start there. Like have some respect. You know I'm funded.
Yeah.
You know I'm funded. I'm not just gonna sit here and vacuum the floor. I'm a funded trader.
Yeah. I can't believe she would ever even approach you as a funded trader and say that.
Right.
Like, she don't even know what she's fucking talking about. What?
You know what's funny? You know what's funny is, bro, my girl is also a funded trader. I swear to God. Should I ask her for the certificate?
If my wife ever started trading and got funded, I would definitely like be a house dad. All right, I'm a house dad now.
Bro, I was a house dad at that point. But then she was like, you know what, babe, like you could be like the fake trader and she's the real trader. She like, bro, so all right, let me expose myself real quick. So my girl controls my computer. She's the one that gets into all the trades. I don't know how to trade. She's the actual trader.
Believe it. She got discipline. You ain't got no.
Oh, is that Adolbito? No way.
Who's Adolbito?
Yo, guys, wait, let me turn on the lights.
Adolbito!
Who's Adolbito?
Bro.
Yo. How you guys been?
Adolfo!
Adolfo!
I was watching.
We just had Jamie on here.
We just had Jamie.
Jamie up here.
Yeah, I saw the whole thing. I didn't want to interrupt though. You guys were like,
you ghosted me, bro. Where'd you guys go?
No, to be honest, I've passed the account. Then kind of, yeah, I can show you the.
And then you blew it.
That thing.
And then you blew it.
I blew it. I was kind of like, I had 2 accounts already funded. I'm making like solid profits on those. I just wanted to basically on Friday, was it Newsday? I just wanted to short that long dildo candle. I was like, I wanted to short it. I basically blew that account knowing I'm gonna blow that account. Yeah. Like it kind of didn't. I traded 1 day on that account only. Kind of blew it on purpose, but at the same time I was gambling. I knew what I was doing.
Have you tried asking Jamie to be your sugar mama? Just to have her buy you new accounts?
Buy me new accounts? Oh, the thing is, I'm gonna buy another account using your code and then trade that with her, you know?
She's a profitable trader. She literally is trading on a cruise ship right now, enjoying life, traveling Europe.
Hold on.
Trading.
Why did you fucking gamble it? Why did you gamble it?
I don't know. I felt like I don't like 50Ks. I don't like the daily drawdown. That shit is bullshit. You go up 1,000 and then if that drops, took that short knowing that.
You sound so childish and ungrateful to me right now, Adolfo. I gotta be honest, you're pissing me off. You just said because I don't like the drawdown, I just YOLO'd 2 motherfucking accounts. Well, I mean, it would have worked out. You would have got paid.
Account.
You would have got paid.
Would have worked out. It would have got paid.
Yeah, I would have paid. I would have got paid. To be honest, that's why I was YOLOing it.
I mean, if you would have, if you would have just been like, man, listen, I took a shot and missed, that's one thing. But you said, I don't like 50K accounts. The drawdown bothers me.
I feel that.
I mean, I like it too. I don't fuck with 50 accounts either. I don't fuck with 50Ks either.
But I blow them shits all the time.
Like, might as well fucking just, if it goes down, then I'll make bank today, get a payout, and then not then.
Jamie, this guy's immature. Jamie, this guy's too immature. Jamie, lose this guy's number. Lose this guy's number. He's immature, Jamie. Lose his number. What are you sipping on right there?
Same thing I was sipping on last time.
Sheesh.
Cigarette. Icos.
So what are you doing now? You got no accounts right now?
I finished work. No, I got 2 funded accounts, man. I'm up 2K for the day.
Oh.
I traded that's why I did. Yeah. I told you guys. I got 2 funded accounts on a day. I trade those. I do 2-3 trades max a day. Leave them alone. And that 50K one, I was like, might as well. I started shorting that shit.
Okay.
I know.
Okay,
Coming
so
up here and telling you
you're on TPT right now, and you got some fundeds, and you're almost at the so you're closing in on the withdrawal buffer.
On the top one, I got 2 accounts at 5.7K in profit at the moment. I need 3 more K, and then I got 6K out of both.
Okay. So you're making big bread right now.
I mean, it's all right. K on both today. Took the same setup on both, and then just watched the market with you guys. Tuned in. Right. Beautiful shorts. I was like, fuck it, fuck the consistency shit. So I had to stay within the 2K.
Right.
5.
Right. Okay, so you actually doing all right. You doing all right, Adolfo. You doing good, baby. Your delivery.
That's why I win.
Your delivery today is ass. You got your delivery today is ass. You got think backwards or something. But your delivery right now, you're pissing me off. So you're doing all right. Everything's going damn good.
Everything's going great. I'm fine. You're the one that I basically delivered it incorrectly.
You delivered it incorrectly. You could have been like, what up, boys? I'm killing the game. I'm up fucking 4 bands on 2 funded accounts right now. I lost your last account. I took a shot for a big payday and I missed. It's all good though. I'm on these fresh fundeds. I'm killing the game. Still texting with Jamie. We're cool. Everything's good. I appreciate y'all. Like that delivery right there. Solid.
100%.
But you were like, fuck these accounts. I don't like 50Ks. They're for fucking losers.
I think
you're all losers. Max is, I think you called Llama fat in there at some point too, and that was very rude.
I heard it.
You said Llama will never.
Yeah, I did.
You said he said Llama.
Yeah, I did.
Llama will never have shoulders like this. That's what
Llama,
you said.
He's probably built, by the way. If Llama cuts down, he would be built. I saw he's tall as well.
Llama. Wait a minute. Why do you think Llama's tall?
Tall.
don't know the videos he's been putting up, the reels and stuff. He looks tall as shit in those.
Does he?
Yeah, he is. He is.
You know what the thing about Llama is? Llama's legs are pretty long. Llama's legs are pretty long. His legs are like for a 6'4" raw piece of chicken, and his upper body very small, very compact. Very small, compact. Yeah, he's built like a lollipop. Yeah, he's built like a cake pop. Very long leg, very small at the top. So that's why.
That's true.
That's what he's built. He's built like this green dude. That's what Llama looks like. Looks tall when he's standing next to the Porsche and everything. But you got to remember, the Porsche is lowered to the ground. The Porsche is only 3 feet tall. So the Porsche is literally only 3 feet off the ground. So yeah, right there, Llama's built like a raw piece of chicken. Literally proven. Science.
Guys, if you go on Google right now,
Adolfo, how tall are you?
I'm 5'9", bro. I'm tiny.
Oh, okay. So I guess a lot of people look tall.
Sure, Llama in a Porsche. I have a Porsche. You don't have to picture anything.
I know that's right. My boy Adolfo, we're glad to hear you're doing good. Everything's going well. You got the fundeds, killing the game. Well. It's good to hear that, bro. I was sad. I was getting messages all the time. What happened to Adolfo and Jamie? What happened to Adolfo and Jamie? We got no follow-up, and now we got both of you in the same segment. It couldn't be better. It makes me so happy.
I wanted to trade the account with her, but the first day I made 2K. And then on Monday, that was a Friday, I made 2K. Then on Monday, I made 4K. 2K, 50% rule. I just traded $100 every day. Right. Then got funded. And on Friday, happened at the news. And that long ass candle, the 1 minute long ass candle. I tried to short that. Kept on trying to short that.
And that's a wrap.
And
that's a wrap.
Yeah. But I'm doing fine, man. Thank you for asking.
Oh yeah, that's good to hear, bro. We always like catching up, and it's good to hear that you got your fundeds and you're killing the game. That's fucking always good to hear, bro.
I need to buy another account. I'm gonna buy 100K now and just pass that with it.
Keep passing them, bro. As long as you get one pass, keep passing them. The secret to being profitable in the props is to get as many funded as you can and then start locking in on the fundeds. Everyone likes to get one passed and then they trade it and they fail. One passed and they trade it and they fail. I get like 5 to 12 passed and then I start trading 1 or 2 at a time, and that lets me lock in because it's a different mindset trading cash accounts.
I agree with that. Having like 10 Apex and winning 200, 300 is like 3 bands. So.
Right.
Exactly. You need more than that.
No, not at all. And you can pull out the bread. Good for you, man. Good for you. Damn. So Adolfo and Jamie are killing the game, doing well. Let's go. Representing the Dubai squad. The Dubai squad's killing the game. Let's fucking go. Big W's in the chat for Adolfo. We appreciate you, bro. Big W's for our boy Adolbito. He's killing the game. Jamie's killing. Must be something about the Dubai squad, bro. They're just doing good. They're just like doing good in life.
She said, "Yalla habibi."
Llama.
All right, let's bring somebody up here, guys. I'm just kidding, guys. This is all for entertainment.
Jamie said she's gonna come to the meetup in Florida at the end of the year. Llama.
Did she?
She said there's gonna be a meetup in Florida, and she's gonna be there.
So will I. No, I'll be there too.
You're an absolute idiot. We're all gonna party in Florida at the end of the year, baby. We're gonna have ourselves a Florida Christmas celebration. It's gonna be 1,290 dudes and 10 girls and Moni.
Oh, Monique.
Yeah, I know that's right. All right, let's get someone up here and give away a free account. I'm started playing. This is Llama got to give away a free account today. Let's get Llama a free. Llama, come on, man. Get someone up here. It's 11:25. Let's get a free account away, baby.
Yeah, we got to go. I have a random number gen. 1 out of 5, 4, 3, 224 max.
224, 20, 40, 60. Fuck you. 200, 20, 40, 60. What was the number you done?
224.
224 is a guy named.
You did not get there that fast, bro.
I did. I have it set up by.
I hate counting this shit.
I have it set up by 20s. Vic Martinelli. It looks like a mastermind student.
Llama, get off your ass and give away the account. I am giving away the account. Bitch. What the fuck? I'm giving this shit away, you fucking idiot.
Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Mastermind student Vic.
Is that an orange name?
Martinelli,
Mastermind student.
We haven't pulled up a mastermind
I'm asking
in a while.
A crazy question.
We haven't pulled a mastermind
asking him an insane question. Coming through my phone, buddy. Get your camera on. How about that one?
Coming through his phone.
How about you just get your camera on there, bud? Oh, wow.
He said he's coming through his phone.
I'm with you gays every morning. Let's go. Did you mean guys? Did you mean guys there, bud?
Bro, I can't stand the language barrier and the misspelling in this chat. Yes, yes.
Yes.
I'm with you gays every morning. Let's go. Bro, people write the funniest shit. People write the funniest shit. Big Daddy Vic, where you at?
Vic.
He got a football picture. He must be like a big St. Louis Ram. What is that? No, it looks like the Detroit Lions.
You get a picture.
I don't know, but he got about 30
Permission is denied. What do you mean permission denied?
Permission
I
is
don't give
denied.
you permission to turn that shit on.
There he goes. Now just turn your camera on, Vic. Now
Unmute, Vic. Vic Martinelli.
What's going on, Vic? Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show.
What up? You can hear me? You
Yeah,
good?
here you good. Vic, do you play sports?
Oh, yeah, I did. I played football in college and played a little bit of pro ball.
I see that. Is that you in the picture?
Yeah, I played college football in Eau Claire, Wisconsin, and I played Montana not semi-pro arena football.
Nice. You
Korean?
you a
football?
Packers guy?
I'm from Wisconsin originally.
That's
so,
what I heard.
yeah.
You a cheesehead?
Yeah, I am.
Fucking go Pack go, baby.
Oh, yeah,
Very
man.
nice. Where are you at now? Are you in Wisconsin now?
No, Minnesota.
Minnesota. Yeah.
Minnesota.
Yeah. What are you doing in enemy territory?
So football, actually. So when my senior year of college, I tore my ACL. I thought I was gonna play in the NFL, and
Yeah.
So then I recovered from that pretty quickly. Then I went and traveled. Then I got a contract in Montana, play arena football. So I just got back into football, did good. Got defensive rookie of the year at league, so that was sick. And then I wanted to continue, so I went to old Kurt Warner League, the AFL.
Right. Okay.
Yep. So like the old AFL Arena League, they started back up because COVID. There was like a hiatus. So then I got an opportunity to go play for the Minnesota Myth. It was called. It was like resurgence, and then it just kind of fell through.
Right.
Kind of fucked my progression up. So then went to a UFL tryout last spring, and then I don't know, man, just floating around. Just trying to play ball, but nothing really. So
Right. What about the XFL? Any interest in the XFL?
yeah, that's the UFL. So the XFL
The UFL.
merged
Okay.
with the USFL, and now they're the UFL.
Right.
So they just did their inaugural season last year.
Right.
So yeah, it's just like a lot of it's tough. It's a tough market.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I bet. I mean,
Yeah,
a lot of people don't realize how hard it is to get into the big leagues, and then how many people that want to play ball like yourself that don't get into the big leagues. What do you gonna do? And it's very tough.
Yeah. No, I was a good edge rusher, and I was
DN?
first 4 games of my senior season. I was balling, and then I had like 4 NFL teams that were going to come 5th game halfway through the season. You lose eligibility after you play your 4th game. So that was my last year. I sat out for COVID. I stayed around with like my 6th year in college. I was taking like 4 credits to finish out. I was stretching it out to just
Right.
just for ball. And then he tore my ACL, and now don't talk to me after that.
Yeah, that's fucking
Good crazy. Yeah.
I had a really good
So
friend. Who played for the University of Pittsburgh, and he was projected to be a top 2 rounder rusher. And he was killing it. I mean, he was killing it. And a couple games left in his last season, he tore his fucking knee in like 3 places, and he fell to 5th round or 6th round in the draft. Played for a year or 2 for the New Orleans Saints and couldn't get it back. And he fucking owns a gym in Indonesia or something. His life took a wild turn, But yeah, man, that sucks. That sucks, brother, to hear that. You had wanted to play ball and you caught that knee injury. That's very tough.
Yep. I mean, I'm good. Like, body's good. If I got the opportunity, like, I would go after it.
Go fucking give it your all.
I'm not very marketable. I'm damaged goods, to be honest.
Yeah,
so.
it's tough. It's tough when your
Yeah,
body is the
it.
product. You know what I mean? When your body's the product.
Sure.
It's tough to say, but I'm not gonna go shopping for a used fucking car either. If it's been in a bad wreck, your knees,
For sure.
knees, hips, shoulders. That's Miami. Yeah, Dolphins suck ass. Maybe you can come fucking rush for the Dolphins. They fucking blow.
Right. Fucking suck.
Yeah, they're fucking terrible. They're fucking terrible.
I'm down.
I'm sure you.
Yeah, I'm
I
down.
probably. I can't believe you can't walk on to some of these shithole teams.
Yeah. I mean, it's just, I came from, in Wisconsin, you're a Packer guy, but college football, they don't have any D2. So you either go to the Badgers or you go D3 or you go
yeah, it's
so,
the Badgers or you leave.
Yeah. So I played D3. So I was like a D3 standout, actually. So I was like, that doesn't help my marketing either. I wasn't prospect then, and then whatever. So like my resume is like not good for what it is now. So everything is like social media frenzy, a bunch of these young guys are just studs now. So I just I almost had a nice little finishing career with the AFL, which would have been nice. Everything fell through, and this is all I got from it. Just a nice.
Oh, a crooked
busted
ass finger.
kick.
Ew.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, crooked ass finger. What do you do with that thing?
I try to get fixed. My capsule's like, I tried to session like realigning it. I mean, it's just.
You can get one of
it just
those
sticks
like
out.
fucking bunion things and click that thing in. Yeah.
I tried. It's just.
It's my strong hand.
Yeah,
Yeah,
crooked
it's my
ass
strong
finger.
hand.
So what are you doing? What are you doing these days, Vic? You're a master.
Personal training. I'm still in Minnesota, so fitness still. I coach football and I trade.
Badass. Pretty fucking
Yeah.
badass. I mean, that's
Yep.
the best route. I mean, I got friends who are, pro baseball players and shit, and they're running crazy programs in Florida now, state championship style programs. So, there's always a route to be around ball. That's the cool thing about sports is like, if you don't get to play, but it's still the game you love, there's 100 different avenues to fucking be involved, and that's pretty badass.
Yeah.
And so
I coached college for a bit. Sorry, I coached college for a bit, but
how fucking
so
cool is that?
demanding. And, yeah, it was sweet. It's just super demanding, and it's just like
Yeah.
me knowing I can play still. It was kind of pissed me off. So
Right. You
You know
see
what I
some
mean?
fucking
But
you see some 5th year D end and you're like, you piece of shit, I'll go smoke that edge right now. You suck so bad.
yeah, it's like I'm just like, give me a rep quick. Like, let me show you how to do this.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
yeah. So
So how's the trading
Good stuff,
going? How long you been trading now?
so I joined the Mastermind. I've been option trading. I trade the wheel. Really, I've been doing that for like about a year now. Pretty successful there. Consistency there.
That's
my
that's
tried
my
and true,
bread and
then-
butter, baby.
yeah. That's where I just have consistency there. So simple. So that's good. My technical analysis is whack. I'm trying to get into like intraday, obviously with futures. I'm trying to expand
Right.
what I'm doing just to amplify what's going on.
Right.
And then when I came across you through social media, and then you're just like, I said it the other day, you're like, it's just locker room vibes. So I kind of resonated with how you guys just kind of fuck with each other. So
Right.
you mess around, but I know your message is true. So then I get that, and then you're not you're real in that sense. And then when you get to the charts, I know I don't know, just from my background, option trading, I know what you're looking at, both you and Lama.
Right.
So
Option
I don't know.
selling.
I just
baby.
kind of
It's my bread and butter. That's how I make my living. I love it. I'll never stop doing it.
Yep. So came to you guys really for technical analysis, try to develop some good habits. I have so much information crossing that I just have analysis paralysis, you know what I mean?
Right.
So much.
You got to keep
Yeah,
it
so I
simple, man.
hope-
You got to keep it simple. You got to keep it simple and put it into terms that work in your world. You know what I mean? If you got to rush the edge, you're rushing the edge. That's it. It's simple. You know what I mean? You gotta be fluid. You gotta be able to rotate and stop the analysis paralysis. Keep it simple, and you gotta be able to change. You gotta be able to call an audible player. You gotta be able to call an audible and change your bias just as quick as you can change a play. I mean, there's a lot of trading is, and you're a sports guy. You have discipline. If anyone can make it, you can. So I was to dumb it down, bro. Like you see how I teach. You're a mastermind student. Dumb it the fuck down. Yeah. Keep it as simple as possible, and then let the candles guide the way.
Yeah, so I rely on I've just been trying to one and done. Obviously, I've been paper trading. I've just been trying to develop whatever plan, because the options I swing trade, so it's kind of conflicting the approach. Honestly,
right?
You know what I mean?
Right.
Because so
that's
the
what I
intraday
do.
stuff.
I take my I take my dopamine and my futures trading, and I love running the show in the morning, and I get all the fun out, and by the time the show's over, I'm good. I feel so great. I had a couple good trades. I made $3,000 to $4,000 again today. I'm up $7,000 on the week, and I'm able to pull those profits and put them into the wheel when I feel comfortable. And I got my QQQ wheel running right now. I'm still selling my options, and I use this for my fun, get my trading out, and then I focus on my wheel long term. Like everything, you focus on it long term, and you're gonna fucking do just fine. So you're still in the paper trading phase?
Yeah, I'm just paper trading. I just don't have any confidence with how I look at it, really. I mean, I don't know. I follow along. I do a lot of education, but I just, like I said, I have so much. I just look at it. I see it, and then when I review it, I go back and I recap kind of what we went through in the morning, and then I see it. But then when real time, I look at it, I'm just such an optimist. I'm like, nah, this shit's gonna swing. There's no way this is gonna happen. So I'm just I don't trade, because I just look at it, and then I'm just never execute. You know what I mean?
Right.
So,
well, you got to take those trades, bro. You got to be fine with losing.
Right.
At the end of the day, you're never going to be 100%.
I think the paper kind of messes me up, honestly, because I set my parameters, but I'm I just educate myself. I'm let's see what's going on here. But then obviously the money value, I looked at that, and then it just messes with my psyche. So
Right.
I don't know. I gotta set the parameters correctly and just fall through.
Scale down, start slow. It's not a race. Get your strategy down. 10% of trading is strategy. 85% of it is sitting around doing nothing. And then 5% is holding yourself accountable. You better fucking be able to bang out 100 push-ups for every time. You're probably like 6'5" solid. You should be banging out some push-ups every time you screw up for the accountability portion. But the best way, I find the best way to really dive in is with real practical exercise. You have paper trading, which is good. But the practical exercise, and I think you're a mastermind student. I mean, I know it's all laid out there in front of you. You could watch my 11 live trading videos, and there's a lot of gold in there. Take some time, knuckle down, see how I do it, and you can watch perfectly and just fucking develop your own strategy. Take everything you're taught, take all the education, simple it down, develop your own winning, not even winning, develop your own good risk management system that fits you, and you could be a profitable trader. That's simple. That is simple. That's the easiest part. And you're not some fucking random schmo, you know what I'm saying? You're like a disciplined college guy. Like, college, you're a ball player. Like, you should be able to knock this down. Just as bad as you look at those fucking kids playing, you're like, that could be me. You should be looking at fucking me and Llama trading, making money, and being like, oh, I can do the same just as easy. I tell everyone that with confidence. If I can do it.
If not better,
right. I tell everyone with confidence, trust me, if I can do it, literally anybody can do it and do it better.
Yeah. I relate to, I don't know, the step 1 to step 20. It's just the psych and the philosophy of it all. I just try I'm chasing too much. And I understand like what's going on. The competitive side of me, I hate losing, so when I see a losing trade, I just get pissed at myself, obviously, because I want to. So then that's why I sit and analyze, because I'm like, okay, I have to understand strat 1, picking through strat 2. I need to apply that better. And
right.
I don't know. I just want to understand. I want to look at it and be Rain Man on that shit.
You'll get it. And we got a great chat, the mastermind chat, and the community there. We all want to help each other learn. Ask as many questions as you need. Post your recaps. Kyle does a great fucking job, the moderator. He posts his recaps and everybody, and hold yourself and use the mastermind chat. That's what that whole group is there for. There's tons of channels, charts, everything you need in there. Take it, abuse it, and figure the fuck out. And I'd like to, Llama, I don't even want to play the game. You know what I'd like to do? I think it would help him a lot, Llama. I think we give Vic here the free account. I think Vic wins the free account. I think he goes up from paper trading to trading real, and I think it's going to help him. I think it helps him, to be honest. I think normally we tell people.
I was going to say the same.
I think normally we tell people, start with the paper, start with the free resources, but I think you need to push yourself harder. I think you need to simple it up, follow the max way, and I think you need to push yourself harder. Get on there with a couple micros and start trading cash.
Okay, I appreciate that.
I think it would help.
I was doing minis, went down to micros just to try and
micros.
I do everything you say.
Micros are king.
I'm doing everything.
Yeah, you're doing all the right shit. I think you just need to push forward. Push harder.
Yep.
You can't
get your feet wet already.
Yeah, get your feet wet. You don't seem like a guy who's gonna crack under pressure easy. Put yourself under the gun. Get to work.
All right. No, I agree with you.
I
definitely
agree
with
too.
you.
You seem like a sharp dude. Much better than Droptimus. You seem a lot smarter and better than Droptimus. And he's typing right now. He said that's crazy. So you got this, bro. We believe in you. You're a mastermind student. I 100% fucking believe in you, and I think you got this. And we want to give you a free 50K TPT account, my man, and push forward. Push fucking forward, Vic.
Oh yeah, dude. I appreciate it. Appreciate both of you, man.
We
I like locker room vibes here for sure.
Absolutely, all day, every day. We'll never fucking change. W's in the chat for our boy Vic, the pass rusher who's gonna turn extremely profitable motherfucking trader. We appreciate you, and then use that mastermind chat. Take advantage of it.
Okay. Yeah.
Open a support ticket. Open a support ticket, Vic, and Llama will get you that account.
All right. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you, brother.
Much love, brother.
Much love as always. We did it again. A wonderful day, beautiful day. $56,000 in giveaways, 74 wins, and we just hit 40 on the win streak. That is insane. Let's call it an unbelievable day, guys. We gave away a lot of sauce today. We need, and we hit some bangers. We need to slow it down. We're giving away too much psychology sauce. It was a good one. It was a good show. Maybe we'll edit a lot of it out. Nah, I'm just kidding. Let's hit Llama's whole fucking Instagram with a lot of that. We call it free chicken in the military. When the military used to say, they're going to give you some free chicken. And I think today was one of the most knowledgeable days and one of the most days for education for everybody, especially on the trading mentality and psychology portion. So very great job, guys. And as always, remember, nothing we do is financial advice. We are not financial advisors. We are here filming the Big Daddy Morning Show. We killed it today. Llama killed it. I killed it. Got a couple YOLO accounts with FFF, Apex YOLO accounts. Take advantage of the free Discord, trading bots, futures trading watch list. If you want to trade like me and Llama and know exactly what we do, then check out the Mastermind, check out the Pay to Play University and the Futures One course, or the free or paid indicators. We appreciate y'all. MOT alerts all day long from Sean, Shark, and Jake. Option selling, buying, futures. We're the #1 community in the game. Do not forget to tip your staff, please. Paulin and Jamie, they need some coffee to deal with all of the bullshit they deal with. So do not forget to tip the staff, buy them a cup of coffee, guys. And all that we ask from you is that if you're going to trade, why not freaking use code BDM or code P2P, code BDM and code P2P right here. This is it with the new Apex promo code right here. Code BDM and P2P on TPT. And then don't forget Power Hour special with the boys, Logan and Javi, coming in hot. They're on a 10-game win streak. They're on fire. These motherfuckers have not missed. They hit some bangers yesterday.
11.
We were on their 11-day win streak. Sorry, Larry. And they're absolutely killing the game. And so do not miss the Power Hour special, our newest show with Max Options Trading, hosted by Logan and Javi. They are seriously killing the freaking game. So Power Hour special starts at 3 o'clock, and then finally right after that, take it to break, and then we move right into the podcast. Traders and Haters, 5 p.m. The CEO of FFF, Manny Miraz, is gonna be here, and we're gonna fucking have the craziest interview with the CEO of Manny. And you know what we're probably gonna have to do with a CEO. We're gonna have to push him to help the team, home team, as much as we can, baby. So
he like 50 accounts.
Yeah, keep these accounts going, baby. So we appreciate you all. Tap in to all the fun and amazing shit and the value we're trying to give back to the community 100% for free. For free all day, every day. Nobody's doing it like MOT motherfucking Big Daddy Max, Llama, and the staff here. Let's go, Llama.
Great day, guys. I'm gonna keep it short. I'm gonna keep it simple because I got a meeting in fucking under 15 minutes. But we did amazing today. We did amazing. Another day, another dollar, caught dubs. Very simple. And the psychology, guys, I think people don't understand how important it is. Take advantage of the shit that we say. Take advantage of the psychology. It's the most important thing in trading. Okay? That's all I'm going to tell you. That simple. Max already finished everything off. You guys want to learn, you know where to, you guys want to buy accounts, you know where to get the best discounts. You guys know what the fuck going on with the Big Daddy Morning Show and the MOT server. We're killing the fucking game. Tune in 3 o'clock with Logan and Javi. 11-day win. Killing the fucking game. They're killing the game. And then we got the pod at 5, guys. We're out of here. I need to go lay down for 6 minutes. Deuces.